up, everyone? Good to see you guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. New week, baby. W's in the chat. Let's get the W's spamming in the chat early this week. Early. We are back to our regular scheduled program. Thanks for bearing with me the last, week and a half? Yeah, week and a half. We were starting like almost an hour later. So we're back. We're back to our regular time, and we are ready to go. Yeah, how you guys feeling? You guys have a good weekend? Good weekend, good weekend. I hope it wasn't a week and like a W-E-E-K. I hope it was a strong weekend for you. Yeah, hope it was a strong one, man. All right, let me send Zoom out, and we are just about ready to roll. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, you could join the free Discord, by the way. Let me hold on one moment. Zoom. All right, cool. All right, Zoom link is out in the Discord for those who are attending, and let me just share my screen as well. Boom. All right, cool. Yeah, we're good. We're good to go. How we doing? Who we got in the house here today? Who we got? We got Chora in the building. What up, Cholo? What up, LeGrand? It's good. What's good? What's good? What's good? What up, YOLO traders in the house? What up, Hero of the Day? It's good. AB Mike. What up, Kelvin? Louis G's in the building. What up, Louis G? What's good? What's good? We got Gotta Trades in the house. What up, Gotta Trade? Who else we got here? Rob Trades in the building. JFX in the building. SG80 in the building. Buzzblab in the house. What up, Valet Dime? What up, Michael? What up, Lily? What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? What's good? What's good? Crypto Madden's in the building. Big Folk Red. Hey, yo. Mr. Lopez is in the house. What up, Mr. Lopez? That's my wife's maiden name, Lopez. Candle Slanger's in the building. What up, Amanda? Good morning. What up, Stephen B? It's good. Rosebuds. Dino's in the house. What up, Dino? Wayne in the building. I see you, Wayne. What up, Rafi? Rafi's here today. Moose the Jab is here. All right, we got all the real ones out. Marcus in the building. What up, Marcus? What's good? What's good? What up? Ewan's in the house. Ewan's an OG. Straight up, OG. Oh, who is it? SSXX is in the building. And I got my XS in the building. There he is. Yanosh is in the house. What up, Yanosh? All right, gang, let's get started here. Let me just bring my tools out and bring my chat over. What up, Travis? What's good? What's good? What's good, everyone coming in on Zoom? How y'all feeling this morning? Let's make some bread. Maybe if we were at the bakery, but we're not at the bakery today. But it is time to eat. That is for sure. All right, let's move this over here, and yeah, I think we're good. Let's pray over this week, and we're gonna get the day started. Y'all ready to pray? What up, Joe Stewart is in the building. What up, Joe? Rafi, how you doing? Yeah, let's pray real quick, gang. Father in heaven, Lord, we pray that you would go before us this week, Lord, that you would bless us, that you would use us to be a blessing, Lord, not just to get blessed, but to be a blessing. We thank you that you're all over this live stream. We thank you that you're all over this community, Lord. We thank you for every single gift that has been given to us from you, and we do not take it for granted, Lord. Give us the wisdom to steward it. Give us the wisdom to work with it, Lord, and we just thank you for all the blessings. We give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. You guys can hear me all right? Let me lower the music. What do you guys think about the music? Good? Oh, it's going way lower now. Amen's in the chat. Hallelujah. All right, Rafi, see you in a little bit. Let me pour out some more excess here. Got my Bethany Church cup again. Shout out to Bethany Church, my home church back in New York. All right, yeah, I think we're ready. Y'all ready? Let's go ahead and jump into it here today. So welcome in, everyone. Today is another day. It is another opportunity for us to come to the charts and be disciplined, be patient this week. It is Monday, so it's the first day of the week. It's the 22nd of January, and let's go ahead and see what we got. It doesn't look like we have much in the headlines here today. Let's open it up and let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here in the week ahead. So nothing much here at all for USD here today in the news. Tuesday though, which is the 23rd, it just seems like, yeah, just this orange folder here. Nothing much happening on Tuesday, so a very quiet Monday and Tuesday here on the US dollar. Looks like the yen is, or the yen is dealing with a few things here though. Monetary policy, BOJ, all this good stuff here. So there should be some movement here on pound yen, but Monday and Tuesday, nothing much for the dollar. And as we creep into Wednesday, we have some red folders here. So we have flash manufacturing PMI. You have all the PMI services coming up. You've got crude oil inventories as well there on Wednesday. So Wednesday, things should start heating up. If we go look another day ahead, which is the 25th of January, as we cruise towards the end of this month, you've got unemployment claims, obviously. Right on time every Thursday. You got advanced GDP here, and then we've got a sea of USD news coming in. So at 8:30 on Thursday, we're getting hit with a lot of news here, a lot of red folders, a lot of orange folders, and then you've got some more news later on in the day. So yeah, so that's about it on Thursday, and then Friday we wrap this thing up with some core price index, the PCE stuff, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it for the week. So nothing too crazy this week. We should have some steady volume, and I look forward to it, man. It's going to be a blessed week ahead. I'm ready. You guys ready? You guys ready to be disciplined? Some of you guys made promises to yourself over the weekend, and that you won't do some of the things that have been holding you back anymore. And I need you, man. I need you to stick to that promise. Not only do you need you, but I need you to stick to that promise this week. I need you to stay ahead of the game this week. I need you to get the awareness, right? Get the awareness. Don't just blindly come here, right? Don't just autopilot this and, you know, put everything on, put the blinders on and start taking trades, and really hone in and focus. What is your system? What is your approach to the markets every single day? And I need you guys to stick with it. I need you guys to become aware of your emotions, right? On what is going on outside of your light, outside of the charts, and what's going on inside when you're on the charts. And you're a very powerful being when you can learn to control and compose your emotions. And that's what we're here to teach you, right? That's what we're here to teach you, is to how to keep a level head, how to stay cool, how to stay composed, right? Whether it's taking a loss, whether it's taking a win, whether it's being in drawdown, whether it's we need to stay locked in and focused on what we know works, what will take us to the promised land, right? Become aware of, if Monday goes by, you did great. Tuesday go by, you did great. All of a sudden, Wednesday, you throw everything out the window. So I need you to become aware, right, of that moment, right? Once that moment hits you, understand, hey, Nick just spoke about this on Monday. I need to be aware that right now I may overtrade, I may over risk. And once you can begin to catch yourself, right? Not only do you think about what you're thinking about, but you catch yourself and you begin to hold off. And that's where discipline comes in. That's where the discipline muscle begins to strengthen. So with that being said, as we move in this week, don't make excuses for yourself when you guys normally throw it all out the window. How many of you guys are like me? I used to literally have a good Monday, have a good Tuesday, good Wednesday, and then throw it all away on a Thursday off of some stupid emotion, off of an over risk trade or something like that. So let's hold it together all week. If you haven't held it together for a week yet, this is your week to do that. So there's no surprise I'm saying it. I'm speaking to you, and we're gonna go ahead and stick to the professionalism this week. Cool? Good. That's my little words of advice as we move into the new week. But let's go ahead and do a breakdown. There you go. Let's not be stupid. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and break this down, and let's do a top-down analysis on gold real quick, see where we're at, and how we could plan this day out. So taking a look at the weekly time frame. So weekly candles did close bullish, right? We closed bullish last week. As you guys know, we've been pushing up here quite a bit, and kind of broke these all-time highs here. and rejected. So I'm sorry, this is the monthly. So monthly closed above everything here, right, to the left, and now I don't know, I think we could see a pullback here, right? Some type of support formed and price to move up. Maybe we could see something like that. So pretty bullish though, based off of the closure here. As long as we respect the lows there, everything should be good to continue up. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Weekly did close bearish, right? So we looked at this weekly candle last week as we traded it, and we were talking about if the candle can close below support, then you enter a new range here and price should fill that wick. Notice how this wick also lines up with the support. This candle, after making a top wick, I believe should be able to come down, retest that support, and then do whatever it needs to do once it gets there, whether it wants to close below or reject it. That is irrelevant, but the goal of this candle is most likely to fill that wick and tap back into that support. So we are pretty bearish on the week. That makes total sense for the monthly candle to come on down and continue making its bottom wick, and potentially even retest that previous level of resistance there. So pretty bearish based off the week. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily did close bullish on Friday, so you got mixed emotions here from time frame to time frame, right? So daily closed bullish. Now we did close bullish above all this level, so there was a lot of support right here, and then there was also a lot of support right here, and we did officially close above. Now we broke the lows here recently at some point today. I'm not sure when. Haven't even looked at the chart since Friday, but we did break the low here at some point on this daily candle, whether it was in Asian or London. We'll take a look at that in a second, but now we're starting to cruise back up. So do we have a potential daily pack runner here? potentially daily pack runner. So excuse me. So let's go ahead and see what the 4-hour and the 1 hour and all that good stuff looks like. I am pretty bullish based off of the closure and where we closed. So, but I am open for sells here today as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour. So looks like 4-hour candle did close. Let me erase that. Right at support, right? So you got a support right here, and 4-hour printed a closure right there. So now we've also broken the highs here. This 4-hour could potentially begin to run up. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour is, hold on, let me grab this. Yeah, so 1 hour did create a support right here. We also do have some sort of resistance right here, and this is currently the range you're in. So there's a lot of wicks right here, right? A lot of rejection going on right here. So not the best range to trade in, but there is pretty clean candles here, right? So price may be making its way up towards like 2029.950 here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute time frame and see where we're going. So yeah, so we do have a resistance, we have a support, and this is pretty much the range we're in right now. So yeah, you got a nice clean candle, nice clean move above, which is about 30 pips, and price can continue on up even higher here today. So let's go ahead and see what the daily looks like. Daily wick fill is up here, up at 2040, right? Yeah, 2040. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So yeah, so pretty clean move coming up here today. I would say targeting like 2036 here. So yeah, very, very clean. If we can get closures above, I think price will be good to get rolling here. There's also a level of resistance here that we did close above. So we'll see what happens in this 2027 zone, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna leave my resistance right there for now. This range is about a 60 pip range here. So let's go ahead and measure this real quick too. Yeah, so it's only about a 16 pip advantage point up until this zone, not even. So yeah, I'd rather just wait now for a pullback or a potential closure above 27 here, pre-NY open. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have here for gold today, and pretty simple day. We are bullish. We did break the lows. Looks like we broke the lows right there. I don't know what session that was in. Looks like London session. And now we're starting to head up here. So now that we've made our way through all this wick area, if we can get somewhat of a pullback, that'd be great for support to be formed and price to continue running up here. So yeah, just gonna wait on gold here. Probably gonna wait for NY open, but we got 9 minutes for a 30-minute closure. We'll see where we're at that point, and go from there. So, and then in terms of sells here today, I'll probably look to take my sells below 2019. Yeah, 2019 here. Yeah, because all this stuff is pretty choppy. Like, you got a lot of chop here. It's regular standard Monday choppiness. You got choppiness here. You got choppiness in here. So, of course, maybe you could say, okay, well, maybe I'll take my sells if we get a closure back below. But then you're just running into this mess, right? So it could get messy here until you actually close below here. And then you've got a pretty clean drive moving down. So that's what I'll look to take advantage of if we do get sells here today. That'll also be re-breaking that current daily low as well. So those are going to be our best sells here on the day. And that's probably what I'll be waiting for. So yeah, that's going to be gold. That's going to be goldy here today. Goldie, goldie. Typical Monday price action. So just be patient, and we'll see what we can get here today. We have casted our lines. We have woken up early. We have got the car warmed up. We have loaded the boat up. We have driven down to the beach. We have put the boat in the water, and now we have casted our lines, and we wait for our hook. We wait for our bite. Yep. Make the chat subscribe only. It'll be quick. Lower the background music. All right, let me lower it. Yeah, we should be good. I went back to church service yesterday with my wife. Amen. Thank you, Jesus. Everything that was said almost felt like it was directed to me. It was, brother. I'm proud of you, Louis G. Amen. Amen. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? PM Magnifico. What's good? Good morning. Good afternoon. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. AB Mike going to be a top one trader. Yeah, we're going to talk all about top one and all that good stuff here in just a little bit. Yeah, we got some very, very exciting news. As some of you guys seen that we dropped the video yesterday. If you guys haven't seen the video, go check it out. We're also going to be giving away two $50,000 challenge accounts this week. So the guys over at Top One and myself have kind of come together. We want to see if we can do some giveaways. We want to see if we can help some people out. So it's going to be sick, man. It's going to be awesome. Yeah, where the mods at? If you're a mod and you're here today, just say hello to me in the chat real quick. I want to see what mods are here today. We got some gifts for the mods here today as well. Yanosha's in the house. The Gamer's here. Yeah. What up, George VDM? Green's in the building, as always. YOLO's in the house. Yeah. Rob Trey. Nightbot's in the building. Yo, what's good, Grid? What up, DT Gamers in the house? What up, Ricardo? Yeah, we got a gift for the mods here today. Very, very excited. Yep. Amen, Amanda. Amen. You know what? That's so true. A lot of people are so scared away through religion, through people, you know, that claim that they love the Lord, but, you know, it's just, yeah, it happened to me as well. Some of you guys know my story. I've told my testimony one or two times in the War Room. By the way, the War Room will return here in February. Just let my wife get this little baby out and then get settled in, and then we're going to get back to a regular scheduled program with that as well. So, yeah, but, yeah, people will fail you, but Jesus will never. So incredible. What's good, Sam Capital? I'll be in Zoom in 10 minutes. No capping. Stop the cap. We'll see you in a few, Sammy boy. Get the baby out, man. What up, Shetty in the building? Yeah, hello. What's good? Oi. Yeah, by the way, gang, we'll be back to our regular time as well. So I had a few things going on in the morning the last 2 weeks, so that's why we were starting a little bit later. And moving forward, we'll be back to the normal time. What's good? Dennis Hood's in the building. What up, Dennis? Yeah, let's do let's run an analysis here on the rest of the pairs, and we'll chill out and chat a bit. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly here on pound yen and see where we're at. So weekly candle last week, oh man, it was a juicer, huh? And we closed right here at resistance. If we take a look at the daily, we did close like weak bearish, kind of like a doji, right? Doji candle, and what do you know? It's no surprise, right? So you have a candle, so you have support here, you have resistance here, right? This candle is the breakout candle. So what do we call this candle? This is our what? Our confirmation candle, right? And then this becomes our trading candle. So you get a candle to break out, and here's the basics of our system. I mean, we keep things very simple, right? Resistance, support, breakout. Okay? Now what do we see? Clean traffic to the left, right? So we wait for this candle to break out. Entry on the break of the highs. This is your candle, right? And now this is your trading candle, and now if you notice this candle right here, how did this candle close? What's odd about that candle? Close with what? No top wick, right? So once the candle closes with no top wick, that's where you start to see the stagnation, right? Candle tried driving up, no bueno. Why? Because no range for the next candle to continue driving, right? No wick, no range. So this is where you begin to see the holdup right here. Now we have the holdup, and now this candle officially is moving bearish, right? So potentially this candle today, being that we closed right at resistance, you may see price drive down and fill that wick, right? So let's go ahead. We are pretty bearish on the day. Looks like we did make a top wick. Let's go ahead and see what the 4-hour looks like. So 4-hour candles are ranging currently. So you're currently chopping around in this range right here. No top wick, very, whatever. No top wick, no bottom wick. Just a bunch of nasty 4-hour candles here on pound yen. This candle, again, no top wick. So it's trying to come up and make a top wick. So 4-hour is a bit consolidating right now, if that's even a word. And same thing with the hour, right? So you have a nice clean move coming up here based off the hour time frame. The sells, I'll be honest, do not look the greatest here. Like, not the best price action here on pound yen at all. But what we can do is, if we know that this candle may want to come up to create a top wick, then we can potentially look for fake outs, right? Fake outs somewhere within here, somewhere within this resistance range up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for potential fake outs for sells to come back down on this bearish day, right? Being that we don't have the best price action below here, we have to look to potentially take our sells from up here, right? And what we're looking for price action to do at this point is to give us a clean range, right? And when I say that, I mean this. So you have a support. We want to see price kind of come up like this, and then maybe do a little fake out, right? And if we can get a candle to close bearish back into the range, then this is where we could potentially take our sells from here today, right? Anticipating that the daily candle wants to continue down. So that would be our sells there to retest the support levels. And then if price wants to break through all this chop, then that's a runner for us, or for me. So that's what I'm going to look for. I'm going to look for potential fake outs within this range up here. If not, I will look to take range 2 buys and target this like 188,900 area. So that's what I'm going to look at for GJ. And this needs some time. It needs some time to play out. Looks like the 30-minute candle just closed here. So if we can get another candle shooting up here, and then some sort of resistance form, that'd be awesome. So yeah, that's going to be pound yen. And yeah, this is going to be more so like a target. I'm not really interested in sells below 87,900. It's just too choppy. If I'm already in a trade, that's one thing, but my entries, I'm not really looking for entries down here. Yeah. Yeah. Not really looking for entries down there. So we'll see what happens. If this 4 hour can come up and create a top wick and all that good stuff, and then start to head back down via a fake out on the 30-minute or 15-minute, then that's what I'll look to take some sells here. But that's it. That's GJ. Range 2 buys above 188.300, or just look for that fake out up there. Yeah. Yeah, just typical Monday price action here. Yeah, let's take a look at Nas. You guys can see my pairs now, right? Like just a little bit of them. Oh no, you guys can't. Right? No, never mind. Never mind. I thought I fixed it. All right, let's look at Nas too, and then hey, we took our first W on Nas on Friday. That was a good trade. Quick trade too. Yeah, let's take a look at Nas here, because Nas is an all-time high, so you know we can't take these buys. If you're taking buys right now, you can't tell me you have a target. You can't tell me you have anything solid in this trade, right? So because you don't know where price is going. Right, we're literally in outer space right here. So we have to see if we can come down and create some ranges. The moon. See if we can create some ranges here. So obviously we've been ripping up here off the daily. Daily did close a no top wick here and no top wick. So we are calling for a pullback. We're due for a pullback. Right now you have a support that was just formed on the 4 hour. So 4 hour support had been formed, but now we're over here breaking the highs and doing all that good stuff. Let's see if these wicks represent anything on the 1 hour. Yeah, just a bunch of consolidation here. So unfortunately, I would love to take buys above 17,440 here, but we can only target the moon. We can only target the moon here. So not really sure what to do up in here, up in this range. We all remember when gold was up here too. It's like you just got to lay off it. You know, you just got to lay off it. Or yeah, like someone said, just move your stops higher and higher. Yep. Yeah, PM Magnifico. Yeah, that's really all you can do here is just, all right, we're going up, enter, and just keep moving stops. But, you know, look, we have this whole range now to retrace, right? So this would be great if we can kind of, if we can begin to come down and create these new ranges, right? For price come back up and down and all that good stuff. And then we have ranges to play with. So yeah, nothing really here for Nas. Just want to see how this daily candle closes today, I think. We don't have a bottom wick on there yet. So if we can get a daily candle that closes bearish, then I think we should see some bearish days, right? A couple days where we move down. Like if we can get a closure like this with a nice exhaustion wick to the top side, then you should see like a day or two, maybe even 3 of some bearish moves here before creating a new support. And then look, we got nice clean candles moving up. So yeah, so we want to see if we can form some ranges here on Nas. Of course, once we begin to trade Nas, it's in the all-time highs. But yeah, we'll be patient with Nas and just let it do its thing. Yeah. You guys like the new overlay? Pretty much the same overlay, but we switched a few things up. Yeah, we'll have trades taken now. So a lot of you guys come in here asking, hey, did you take a trade or whatever? And yeah, we're just going to keep the trades taken over there. Yeah, we put the lifetime, not the lifetime record, but the lifetime of the stream. The lifetime of the stream. To the moon and back. Yo. Targeting the moon there on Nasdaq. Hey, yo, Pablo's in the building. What up, Pablo? How you doing, man? How you doing? How you doing? Why is it so cold? Yo. Oh, you're in South Carolina. That's. Yo, yesterday was like 35 degrees. Yeah, man. I went out the house. Woo! Chilly. What's up? What's up, Perez? What's good? What's good? Would love to have a weekly or monthly prayer again. What do you mean? We get a daily prayer going every day. Every day. Up here trying to stay warm. I see 2 times the monthly record. Nah, I see 1 monthly record and then 1 yearly record. So obviously we're still in the first month of the year, so that's why they look the same. Yeah. Yeah, but that'll change. That'll change as we continue moving. Them government machines work. They trying to cool the whole country down here. Yeah, I like that idea, Luca. 24-hour stream on the 1-year anniversary. I think our 1-year anniversary is let me see here. Which day did we what was our first live stream? Live streams on live streams on live streams. Let's scroll. Let's take a scroll down memory lane. Oh, it doesn't say the date. 11 months ago. Almost 1 year ago. What's the date? The 1st of February, it looks like. Oh, okay. 1st of February. That's right. That's right. We were going to start on February 6th, but we decided to begin early. Yeah. Did we take a trade that day? Nope. No. Oh my God, I was horrible at drawing candles there. Jeez. Jeez, Louise. Yeah, so coming up here in just a couple days, celebrate our 1 year. Yeah, we've grown a lot. We've done a lot here in a year, man. Two six. Oh, what up? What up, trader next door? You ain't late, brother. You right on time. Oh, the prayer that we do on Zoom. Yeah, that's coming back. So I was telling everyone a few minutes ago, just right now I'm in the process of moving and having a baby here in the next 2 weeks. So once all that is behind us, then we will begin to do the Bible studies again. Yeah, we're going to do them on Sundays too. We're going to do them on Sundays because Monday nights, a lot of people weren't available that lived around the world, you know. Damn, Travis said 13 degrees right now. Holy. Holy. I got my daughter saying, holy. Yeah, by the way, gang, we're giving away 2 $50,000 challenge accounts this week. You got to be subbed to the channel. That's it. All you got to do is be subscribed to the channel. We're also going to be giving away a $100,000 challenge account on the Bootcamp. Yeah, on the Bootcamp. So that's going to be sick. We may switch that up to 250s or 425s. I'm not too sure yet, but we're going to give away $100,000 worth of challenges to people in the Bootcamp this go around. So yeah, man, a lot of exciting things happening. Very, 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 very excited about it. As you guys know, I had a goal from last year, which was to begin this year and start my $1 million worth of funding. And as I said in that video last night, you know, like after the whole MFF thing went down, I don't know about you guys, but some of my confidence went down in these funding companies too. And, you know, it kind of just was like, just like a punch to the gut, you know, especially to the guys and girls who were like literally trying to get there. You know, I had already been funded, so was it a big deal for me? Yeah, it was still a big deal, but there was a lot of other people that suffered for it. And I remember talking to you guys about all that when it went down, and just trying to keep you guys composed and encourage you guys that it's all good. We got to, you know, control the things that we can control. And while that is all true, of course, it still kind of is a damper, right? It still kind of takes a hit on your confidence and in your psychology. So yeah, so like I said in that video, man, I've been really seeking out opportunities, some firm that we can partner with as a community. And as you guys know, I've been talking to different people, and they've thrown a lot at me, and I've denied every single one of them. But after talking with these guys from Top One for the past few weeks, I think it's clear that these are the right guys for us. And like I was saying in the video too, like I didn't need to be with the funded trader or you know, these bigger firms that everyone, you know, looks towards. I was cool with having a smaller firm with the right people behind it that we can all grow with. You know, we in a way, we almost have ownership of a prop firm now. Like it's like almost like TTE has a say in a prop firm. So I think they're the best fit for what we got going on. Trust me, I've really done my due diligence. I've really spoken with a lot of people, and I really feel like these guys have just been the best fit up until this point. So yeah, I'm excited about it. I'm going to start a 200K account with them too, and just literally document the whole journey. Yeah, I'm going to make videos on it and all that good stuff. 25 degrees Celsius, holy. Yeah, right now, so what we're going to have is we're going to have 30% off with them lifetime. So right now they're running 30% off on their actual website, but that will be taken down here pretty soon. So, but we will continue to get it. So we'll continue to get that 30% off with them. I believe right now they're like up in capital as well. So if you buy like a 200, they'll give you 250. If you buy 100K, they'll give you 125K. So yeah, they seem pretty legit. All my conversations with them, we've had a lot of conversations via the phone, via Zoom meetings. So their whole crew is pretty solid. Yeah. Yeah, of course, Xander. Of course, of course. I legit opened my Forex funds early that week. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, and this is a firm that we can kind of have some say in, you know what I mean? Like, what's up with that slippage, or what happened there? You know what I mean? So it's like these other guys, we can't even talk to them. We can't even get to them. They just shut us down. So to have a firm that can back us, I think is going to be sick. Yeah, we'll see what happens here too on gold at 2029, but last 15 here of the hour, so we'll see what happens. And then pound yen, yeah, nothing there. Okay, cool. We're getting some rejection there. So yeah, I really wanted to see this candle move up so we can take sells a little bit higher here today, but we'll see what happens with this 1 hour candle. Yeah, pretty nasty. Where can I get your mentorship? Everything is filled for January. So if you want, you can message me on Discord. I think we have 2 spots left for February. So you just got to message me on Discord. Nasty Nas. Yeah, should I was thinking about putting a little slot there on the overlay where it's like the time that we did our last analysis. Yeah, so I don't have to always break it down. I don't mind that though. Joe Stu in the house. Joe Stu. I have a question. For example, if the previous daily candle closing weak bullish, like a doji, so in that situation, which would your bias be the next day? It would be whatever the previous daily candle closed at. So if it did, like, are you talking about like this candle here, like a candle like that? If you're talking about a candle like that, I would still be bullish on that day, but I would be open for sells. And being that that kind of is like a somewhat of a celery pattern, I would look on the lower time frames to see, is there a support that we can potentially look for a closure below after we break this daily low? And then that's where I would be open to taking my sells at. But other than that, I would be bullish on the day just due to the previous candle closing bullish. Yeah. Are you trading all three accounts now? The two 400s and the 200. I'm gonna keep one of the 400s parked like I've been doing, and I'll probably put this 400K on a copy trader that I use and document the 200K. I don't know. I'm still debating which one I want to keep on stream or whatever. Yeah. Let's do a poll. Do the poll. Can you please explain the pack runner? Yeah. So the pack runner was we got an opportunity to see a pack runner on Friday there, which was pretty good right here. I think was that. Yeah, was this the trade we took on Friday? I think so. So yeah, so what a pack runner is a lot of times when a candle, so as you guys can see, this candle, let's just draw this out, right? So let's say you got this big move, this move right here. I'm just gonna use an arrow to draw it so I don't have to draw all the candles, right? So you gotta move up, and now if you look at the candle, right, this candle right here, it closed with very little to no top wick, and then a nice wick like this, right? So a lot of times what happens, especially during, if this candle is one closing pre-volume, pre-session open, or pre-news, this is typically when you will see the pack runner play out. So what happens is, and let me draw this candle a little weaker too because it wasn't that strong. So what happens is when there's volume coming in, again, either due to a session open or news, in this case it was news, right, that came in. A lot of times what you'll see is you'll see the next candle break the highs and kind of give it its own top wick. And then if this candle now has a low on it, right, so let's say there's a low right here, one sec, boom, as this candle reflips, there's a very high chance that once we break this low right here, this low right here, we will fill that wick and drive. And that's what you've seen happen, right? Once we re-broke the low, that was our entry. We began to fill the wick, and then I guess we eventually drove down towards support as well. So this is what you want to look for the pack runner. Now, when do you want to look for it? Like I said, volume, right before volume. So anything pre-session or news, that's where you're going to see this pack runner play out the most. So a lot of times we'll take that around 8:15 because 8 a.m. will close like that. 8:20 will break the highs and then drop down, breaking the lows or some. That's just an example, but that's what you want to look for, and then that's when you want to look for it. High times the volume, and then typically you'll see a nice run down. In this bearish situation, you'll see a nice run down, and you know you're targeting that wick fill, and then whatever runners, right? You got to support there too. So. Cool. And then same thing with a bullish, in a bullish situation, it's, if you get a candle that closes like this, it's got very little to no bottom wick, and you got 820 coming in, a lot of volume. Typically you'll see something like this, and then boom, blast off. So by the end of the year, we may be able to pull this off, right? Sniper entry at the bottom somewhere, tight stops, and then let it run. But by the time it breaks the highs here, you know, we're already in a good position. So yeah, we'll continue to monitor that move and sample size it and, you know, max it out. Max out, max out. Friday we filled the wick, yeah. Yeah, we did. Yeah, it was pretty good. Yeah, it was a good move. And we were in two positions at once there on Friday. What did GJ do? Did GJ yeah, I guess we ended up continuing up there and then just consolidating a bit. Yeah. Yeah, man, that was a good trade on pound yen too on Friday. Gold gave us nothing. Gold gave us nada. Step 1 challenge looks good. Yeah, they got 1 step and 2 step. So I think I'm gonna do the 200K 2 step. What copier do I use? I use Traders Connect. I also have a account with Social Trader, but I'm not using them much anymore. Did Raja delete his Instagram? I have no idea. No idea. Holy. Am I excited about the little one coming? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Party of it's gonna be a party of 5 now. Number 3, incoming. Man, we might be sitting here on the live stream. My wife might come in soon and be like, "Yo, we gotta go." We gotta go. The pack runner is good on better high times, higher time frames. I personally like it on 15-minute time frame and 30-minute. Yeah, 15 is really good, especially during high times of volume when we're kind of looking for a way in off the 15-minute. It works out pretty well. Yeah, 1 step's got lower leverage. That's the only thing, yeah. The Zoom link is out, right? Yeah, Zoom should be good. Zoom. Yeah, Zoom link's out. Can you explain? Yeah, okay, this is a good question. So can you explain why sometimes it's okay to enter a sell without a top wick when the entry is like a celery? Yeah, because a lot of time that's going to happen on the 15 or the 30. So if you guys look back on all the 9 a.m. candles, like what you'll typically see is a bigger candle, right? A big candle, like bigger than the normal one. So within this candle, right, within this 1 hour candle, there's going to be 4 15-minute candles that open up. So a lot of times when we have a celery play, right, what that looks like is boom, you had a previous candle, right? Let's say this is the previous 1 hour candle, right? And now the new candle's open. So what'll happen a lot of times with the celery is that although it doesn't give you a, let's say this is the 15-minute time frame, although this candle doesn't give you a top wick, you have to understand which candle you're actually in. So you're actually within this 1 hour massive high volatility 9 a.m. candle. So This one already has a top wick. So this candle has a lot of volume. It's just ready to keep on driving. So a lot of times when you get this celery on the 15 or the 30, it won't give you much of a top wick. It'll just start continuing to get going because it's all happening within this 1 hour high volatile candle. Does that make sense? Not sure if that makes sense or not. But yeah, you'll sometimes get a very weak or almost no candle, but it'll still work out. It'll still play out really well because all this that you see is just happening within this high volatile candle. Yeah. Yeah. Good question. Zoom link. Yeah, Zoom link is good. John saying they ain't letting him in. They ain't letting him in. Hold on, Johnny boy. We're going to get you on Zoom now. Rest assured, we're going to get you in. All right, cool. I have a small account, capital 100. I know SK strategy. Do you advise me to enter into a deal? I'm not sure what you are asking. I'm not too sure what you're asking. Yeah, maybe rephrase the question. I'm not too sure what you're trying to ask. They include a column for a percentage in this year's journal. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we could do that. There he is. Johnny boy, how you doing?
Hey, good morning, brother Nick. What's up, my man?
How are we feeling, kiddo?
Oh man, we're feeling great. Feeling like it's gonna be the best day of my life, brother. How about you?
Same.
Solid. Here, bring that energy, bro.
Bring it.
Let's attract that. We attracting that energy here today.
Yeah.
What up?
Day,
good morning, chat. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. Happy to see you guys again. Week. Let's get it. Turn me up.
Turn me up. You might be a little loud for them. Not gonna lie.
Oh damn. Let me speak a little bit lower. Z Gamer, what up, Z Gamer? YOLO Trader, Inosh. What's good, boys? Good to see you guys again.
Hey, stick around today, mods. We got some gifts for you guys.
Ooh. Let's go. Little surprises.
I'm waiting for Classic because I know he's running a little behind.
Some
Classic,
surprises,
man.
Mods.
When will you get your account? I'm gonna set it all up. So I just got my credentials here. I'm gonna set everything up tomorrow. All right, yeah. So 1 hour on gold did close. We kind of ran up to this resistance here and closed right at it. So nothing that we could do here on gold yet. If you guys were in buys from earlier, maybe you can sit in this trade. I'm not sure, but yeah, nothing there just yet. It would be really nice to see some sort of a pullback here on, let's say, like the 15-minute time frame for price to continue going up. So I'm just gonna wait for like 8:15 here to see where we're at that point.
Yeah, I'm looking at the same things, my man.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. What up, Sandman?
Hey, Sandman, what's good, bro? Good morning, Felix. Hey, the patient trader is going to be the one who gets rewarded today. Patient trader. Another day, another week to focus on patience and discipline, working out that muscle, right? Because as a trader, I'm not focused on making money like a lot of people are focused on, right? They come to the charts and focus on making money. No, I'm gonna come to the charts, and instead of focusing on money, I'm gonna focus on the skill, right? The process of trading my edge, the process of developing the skills that are necessary for the trader to have. Um, Developing the skills, maintaining the skills, building the skills, working on my mindset, patience and discipline. Louis G, you know it. Let's go. Calvin, good morning, my man. Good to see you again. Dennis, what's popping? Let's not lie, we like money too. Of course, we like money, my man, but making money a byproduct to you. Focus, right? The reason we want to focus on trading the edge and the skill is because we're gonna make money by doing that, right? And we're gonna let the money come to us, and we're not gonna chase it, because when we chase it, it's gonna run away from us. So that's what we gotta do. We gotta have that mentality where we don't really focus on money, because when you focus on money in this game, it tends to run away from you, compared to when you focus on the best trades, trading your edge, it comes to you, right? So let's go. Dominic, good to see you, my man, again.
Look, gang, there's such wisdom in the innocence of my brother John. You have to continue to understand that he is 18 years old, and that we got this through his head before he got trapped up in the world's ways, before he ever had to think about, we need money, or we need this, or we need that. He only knows one way, and that's process, right? He only knows one way to get to where he wants to be, and that's following the process. And there's wisdom in the innocence, because again, he has not been indoctrinated yet with the world's ways of what it means to, we need money, or we need to do this, or we need to get here, or do that. It's just very simple success, programmed for success, right? And all he does is respect the process, and you gotta love it. You gotta love it.
That's so true, bro.
Money comes
Appreciate
to us.
that. And exactly. Exactly. I'm focused on the success laws, right? The laws that are gonna make me successful, right? Because there's certain laws I got to abide to.
Yep.
Just like God abides to certain laws. Same thing here, right? If you want to cook something right, you gotta follow the recipe.
Boom.
Yes, sir.
Boom. So most people, their problem is the word but, right? I can do this, but I can get that, but I can be in shape, but your problem is you doubt, right? Ye of little faith, Jesus would say. The problem is you doubt. You think you can get there, you want to get there, but that word but is your big issue. And a lot of you guys are doing it. I've done it in the past, and we're programmed that way, right? They can do it, but not me, right? So when you get to a mind at a young age, this is the wisdom and the innocence that you hear, right? So if you guys can get rid of the but, the but is your biggest problem, right? You can do it, but I can be here, but you got to get rid of the but, gang.
Yeah. What happened to believing that all things are possible? Right? If you have that mentality with everything you do in life, that all things are possible, don't you think you're going to get a lot more done compared to someone who's limiting themselves?
Yep.
Right? Because all things are possible, right? It's just, what is it to you? Because whatever it is to you, it is. If you're out of shape, if you tell yourself you're out of shape, then okay, you're out of shape, right? Whatever it is, you need to become what you are looking to become, right? So
yep, you got to become it,
right? Because when you view yourself for what you are now, in the future, you're just going to manifest or create the person you are right now. But if you can view yourself for who you are to become, right, and become that person, right?
No ifs, ands,
Very
or buts.
Yep, all things are possible. Let's go.
The plan is to have goals that have goals broken down to achieve a bigger one. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, my mentor would say, he would say, Nick, how do you eat an elephant? So I don't know. I never ate an elephant. He said, one bite at a time. One bite at a time. How do you set big goals? How do you accomplish the big goals? One bite at a time. You have a big goal and you break that goal down into little goals. You lock in. Winners are trackers, right? You track your activity, you track your results. That way you can make your tweaks and adjustments, but that big goal should be broken down into small goals that'll keep you on track to get to the big one when you want to get to the big one. And
Yeah.
no buts.
Facts.
The butt gives you comfort on why you didn't. Yeah, exactly. It's just a crutch for those, aka an excuse.
We need to avoid self-limitations, right? We need to control our energy and channel our energy, right? We are in control of it. We need to bring forward to us positive energy so we can attract positivity to us, right? That's why we say always think more positively than negatively, because at the end of the day, we're attracting that, right? We're attracting that energy to us. So that's why it's important.
Or you can keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah, and that's fine.
We may be wrong.
That's fine,
we
right?
may be wrong about everything.
Exactly. We definitely could be
negative. Who knows? But we're gonna go with the positive one.
Yeah, we could be wrong. That's true. And yeah, and if you're someone who doesn't want to change and just wants to stay the same, that's totally fine, bro. You keep doing you. Right? But a lot of people, they want change to happen to them without having to without having to change themselves, right? So if that's you, you gotta start changing yourself, your habits, right? And you'll head in the better direction.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Morning, Stephen B. What's up, my man?
Stephen B, baby. Yep.
Yeah, Louis G, bro, you gotta get comfortable being uncomfortable. You know why, man? Because when we get uncomfortable, we know how to get comfortable, right? So no matter where you are in life, no matter how uncomfortable things get in your situation, because you were focused on getting comfortable with being uncomfortable in other areas, right? Now in any situation where you're uncomfortable, you could focus on getting comfortable in it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got to get uncomfortable. I put it on my story the other day. 7:30 a.m. It was 32 degrees here in Florida. Doesn't get that cold too often here. Sunday morning, guess where I was at? At the gym. Guess where I wanted to be? In my bed. But I wasn't doing what I wanted to do. I was doing what I needed to do, which was to get uncomfortable and respect the laws that govern success in the area that I'm trying to reap results. Right? Of course, I didn't want to get up out of bed, but I knew that if I don't, then I won't be rewarded. If I don't do the activity, then I won't be rewarded with the result. Right? And that's the big thing. You have to understand, success doesn't have a pulse. Success doesn't care that you blew your account. Success doesn't care that you took a loss. Success doesn't care that you had a bad morning or that you got a flat tire or that a family member passed away. All success cares about is, did you do the required action and activities that yield the result? That's it. That's it. People should care, right? Like if you have friends and you have a team and a community, they should care for you. That's why we pray for you guys. That's why we look out for you guys. When you guys have to have a conversation, we're there for you, right? But success does not care. Success has no pulse. It only will reward those who consistently do the requirements. That's it. That's it.
Bingo.
So that should eliminate all your excuses, because the way I see it is, if you can't show up to the live stream, then you're more committed to sleeping than you are to succeeding. or you're more committed to, let's say you're playing PlayStation right now, you're more, the guy's like, wait, what? Yeah, you're more committed to PlayStation than you are to having success in your life on the charts. Simple. Many people talk, few people do. Many. My mentor would always tell me, what you do speaks so loudly that what you say, I cannot hear. Boom. That right there changed my life.
That's heat right there, bro.
What you do speaks so loudly that what you say, I can't hear.
Gotta write that one down.
Learn life. Go ahead, read The Magic of Thinking Big. I believe it's chapter 4 or 5. It's a chapter called XAUUSD. Gotta check it out. A lot of you have a disease called XAUUSD. Some of you guys got the disease called my funds are low. That's because you got XAUUSD, which keeps your funds low.
Word. And the belief in that. That's fact right there.
Step out of that comfort zone, baby. You gotta leap into the unknown.
That's where the growth happens.
If you don't do it, who's gonna lead your family? Who's gonna lead your people? I'm telling you, if you're on the call today, I truly believe you're the one called to break the generational curse. You're the one called to go out and lead, to go out and be the example.
Bro, I was just gonna say that I'm really feeling the energy right now that someone or a couple people in the chat is really about to use this knowledge into constructive use and make a big difference in their family's life. Yeah. I can feel it.
Yep. Whoa. Yo, by the way, if you like the heat, sub to the channel. We're also giving away 2 $50,000 challenge accounts this week to 2 people that are sub to the channel. Yeah, so all you gotta do is sub, give a like to the stream, and you will be in the qualification.
Let's go. Who's gonna be that person? You get that 50K account, what you gonna do? What you gonna do with it? Let me know. You gonna follow the plan, or you gonna trade emotionally?
Just go for a grand salami.
Chat, if you knew the behind the scenes work that Nick puts in for y'all, man, you would love him 20 times more. My man, he puts his energy, all his energy, all his time, and all his attention into you guys. And the behind the scenes work is always more crazier or more hard worked than this, and then what you guys see now, right? Behind the scenes, there's so much behind the scenes you guys do not see, and trust me, you guys would love him 1,000 times more. Puts hella time and energy into you guys.
Appreciate you.
And I truly, what I see when I'm behind the scenes and I'm seeing it all, what I see is a man who loves spreading value and impacting people and helping people level up and change their lives. That's what I see, and that's what we're getting. So yeah, bro, blessing to be here.
Yeah, love you, bro. Thanks, man. Yeah,
love you too, brother.
It's a lot, you know, but it's amazing.
Yeah, sir. And you love doing it, so.
Yes, sir.
What's up, traders next door?
Oh yeah, we're just getting started this week.
Chat 24 just started.
What up, Felix?
What's good? AH Cardinal. Good to see you again, bro. I was expecting this some bearish momentum.
Yeah, me too. Especially from the 1 hour here.
Yeah.
So. Did you get a negative month in trading? Yeah, I've had negative months in trading, of course. Absolutely. For my Wolverines, now my Lions. Oh, you found a good song for the intro? Send it. Full send. Full send.
Salim, by the way, you know, negative things don't have to be bad. They're just negative things. They don't gotta be bad, right?
Yeah.
They're
Yeah.
totally A-okay.
That's true. That's true. You just perceive them as negative because of the system that we've been living in, right?
Gosh.
What if a negative feeling wasn't really a negative feeling? What if we just perceived it as a negative feeling? What if everything was just an experience? Do you think you can handle things better? Do you think you can stay composed better? Right? If everything was just an experience, even the worst of the worst things to happen, what if they're really just experiences? And they're actually not negative, but they're lessons to teach us. But because we've been told failure is bad, this is negative, this is blah, you should be sad here, you should be mad here, we don't tend to receive the information off the lesson from the negative situation that happened. So we just put our head down and we just think, poor me. Meanwhile, there could be a lesson within there, right? So perception, right? Your reality is not reality. It's just a perception of reality.
Yeah. That's so true, bro.
Gets deep.
Nah, but yeah, it does. Because there's a positive, there has to be a negative, right? That's a law. So expect there to be negatives and positives and positives and negatives, right? In everything.
Oh yeah.
Because that's how the energy is. It's equal and opposite energy.
Yep. Can you provide the URL with the prop firm? Yeah, so if you guys see Nightbot, I say you can put !top 1 and then that'll give you the link. Why are you hitting us with so many facts? It's the fact channel. They be fact checking this live stream. And you know who's the hardest to get through? The more mature people. Because they think, no, I've been doing this for 30 years. There's no way I could be wrong about it. And those are typically the people that are very difficult to break through when it comes to glitching the matrix like we talk about, or hacking the system, or just stacking the odds in your favor, right? Because the more programming you have in the brain, the harder it is to rewire it. And that's why I told you guys that there's a lot of wisdom in the innocence that John speaks, because there wasn't that much programming in his brain, right? Someone who's 35 has much more programming than someone who is 15.
Sure. Most definitely.
Yeah. Is Johnny going to be at the next boot camp? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'll be there.
Yeah, we'll also have
hopefully I'll see you there.
We'll also have Clay come in from Top 1. That way you guys can ask any questions. If there's any like major questions that you've always wanted to, ask a owner of a prop firm or something like that, we'll bring those guys in so we can put them on stand and ask them a bunch of questions.
We chilling with owners of prop firms now, boys.
Yeah. Time is the only real currency. I like that. Yeah, it's the only real thing that really matters. And the only time we have is the time that we're sitting in right now. Last night, you ain't got it no more. Yesterday, gone forever. Tomorrow, not even promised. The only time you got is right here. So what are you looking at? What's going in your brain? What are you believing? What are you saying to yourself? What are you doing?
Dude. Time, energy, and attention, right? Those three things. Time, energy, and attention is the three things we can control. Those are the only things we can control, right? So why focus on things we can't control, right? There may be things right now in your life that you have zero control over, and you're trying to act like you have control over it. So you control on the things you don't control, but you don't control the things you can control, right? Yeah. We got to be wiser about our decisions.
Yeah. All right, so we got 820 upon us here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 5-minute. We should get some volume coming in here at 820 with the commodity exchange open. So let's see what this 5-minute candle wants to do. But as of right now, 1 hour is pulling back pretty nicely. We broke the 1 hour lows here. 4 hours beginning to reject as well. So if we do want to move up here today, right, based off this daily candle, then what I would say is that we probably do need this candle to officially close as a support, right? Because if we look left, we have this support to the left here. And what price is currently doing is it's trying to establish that support. Now, in order for that support to be established right here, what do we need? We need a bullish candle to close, right? To say we officially have a support. So if this candle can close bullish, leave us a wick fill along with another retest of that resistance, then what you can potentially see here is the next 4 hour candle begin to drive up, right? So you get a bottom wick and then we fill that wick, retesting this resistance right here, and then potentially retesting 2035, which is our daily target here for buys. So yeah, everything looks pretty good so far. But yeah, we do need this pullback here. Yep. Do need the pullback. And then if we do close below support, right? If you get a candle that closes below, then you may see price move down. So if this candle closes bear with a massive rejection candle, right? Then you can potentially see the next candle drive on down here. Either way, we're cool, right? We can crush it on price moving up. We can crush it on price moving down, but we got to wait for these things to plan out.
Yep. We're flowing with the markets either way, listening to them. Oi, what's good, Sam? Morning, brother.
Your playbook. Oh, nice. One top trader allows all EAs to. Yes. Yep. All these kids want a Rolex and an AP, but don't understand the value of time. Sheesh. Hunter dropping bars. Damn.
My man, Hunter.
That's true. I didn't expect that from Hunter real quick, but damn. Sheesh. Get that man a mixtape.
Hunter, bro, you're speaking facts.
When are we going to do the next meetup in Florida? I don't know, but I'm down to start planning it because that was pretty fun. And we had a lot of TTE guys there. We almost had more. Yeah, we had a lot of guys from TTE. So, yeah, we'll probably plan one soon. Yeah, I think we should do it like in the spring. I don't want you guys to fly in from like the northern states and still be cold, you know? So like, let's maybe give it another month and a half, and Florida will be summertime fine.
Nah, facts. I think in the springtime will work best, like April or something like that.
Yeah. Sam Capital's playbook hell. Oh yeah. Sam Capital coming in, dropping the value on the fundamental game.
There. Dropping heat. Oh, Sam, you'll be there in April? Bro, we need to meet Sam, bro.
Let's go, Sam. Oi.
Good morning, Landon. Good to see you, brother. Oh man, hope you're doing good. You're back in hometown, right? Hope you enjoyed your stay in Florida. Yeah. Great seeing you. Hey, you know, it's not if, but when. Not if, but when. Yes, sir. Those payouts are going to be hitting nice for you guys in the chat. Yes, sir. We gonna get them. We gonna get these payouts.
Back to
You
business.
know what we gotta
baby.
do, right?
Yes, sir.
Back to business. Run it up.
Yes, sir. I was doing a little capping. I told Nick I would be stop the cap.
Hey, free Sam. Let's
Free
Sam's
Sam,
a Zoom.
free Sam. Is he here?
He's here. I see him. Sam, the man.
Sammy boy's in the house. Let's pull him up. Let's pull him up here.
Reporting.
Sam Capital's about to take the podium. Let's add him some spotlight. You ready, Sam?
Yeah.
Just give me the thumbs up.
Open the blinds.
All right.
Reporting, sir.
How we doing, sir?
I'm at it. I don't even know what I was gonna say. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good, bro. It's freezing here, but
Yo, you looking good, bro.
we live. Yo, thank you.
Yeah, you look good,
shout out.
bro.
That's what I ended up doing. I ended up taking a shower. I had to do my laundry now. I was like, I'll do that, and then by the time the stream's over, then I can switch it, bro.
Switch it
Yeah.
up.
Big brain. Yeah, no, I appreciate it though. You guys look good too.
Oh,
Thank you, my man.
Lighten up the stream, lighten up the Zoom.
Thanks.
Oi, look at the oys in the
All right,
chat, bro. Y'all are nuts. Yo,
Chat.
Let's go.
that's why we
Yo,
got the best community, bro.
Yeah, I love you guys,
Sir.
man. Seriously, you guys are awesome. Sam, I love you. John, I love you. Chat, I love you, man. Everyone here is just fantastic, bro. Oh,
Yeah, I love you boys
No,
too.
true. Yeah, I love all
Chat.
you guys, for real.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro. What up? Oi.
oh.
Yo.
Hey, bro, your morning was good? It was cold out?
Yeah, bro. It's crazy though, because apparently it's supposed to be like 50 degrees later this week. But like, I was sitting there looking at like, yeah, what's it like in the North Pole right now? What's it like? Dude, it was warmer in the North Pole than it was here. It was 20
Oh,
degrees
wow.
there. It was like 8 here.
That's
I was like, no,
crazy.
I was like, no way, bro. And then I start looking like Yukon, up in the Yukon. Yeah, nah, they got us beat.
Yukon, son.
It's like -30 there.
Sheesh.
You know it's cold
-30.
Yeah,
you know it's cold when it's colder than the North Pole.
yeah, facts. I'm like, what?
Oh, damn. Yeah, no, not gonna lie. It's been pretty cold over here, too.
Yeah, that's so
Bro,
funny. When I seen your story yesterday morning on Instagram, I was laughing. I was like, hey, that shit come and got you, bro.
It got me.
For real, bro. In the 40s.
It got me, bro. Yeah, no, yo, yesterday when I left, it was literally 32.
Yeah, bro. You're about to have snow in Florida. That'd be
Yeah,
wild.
man. Yeah.
Imagine.
Yeah, bro.
That'd
The
be
polar
mad,
bears
dude,
are gonna
that'd be
migrate here.
Alligators
polar
are gonna be
bear.
frozen.
Yeah. All the brown bears gonna just turn into
Look
polar
at this alligator, mate. It's a beauty. It's frozen. I've never
It's
seen an
frozen.
alligator frozen.
bears. Yo,
Oh,
that's crazy.
that's hilarious.
What are you
Look
doing
at
if you
this.
look into the over in the Everglades and you just see like a frozen gator floating at the top of the swamp?
Jump on and try and
I
wrestle.
would, I would immediately take my phone out,
You'd be frozen, bro.
take a pic of that.
Jack Frost is in Florida. Dude, vacation out here. Like, yo, go back home, bro. Go back home.
Thanks.
All right, bro, get on with it.
Sam will be fighting polar bears soon.
Yeah, that's
Don't
what I'm
just
saying.
fight
They're
bears
about
now. He fights polar bears.
They're about to migrate down here, bro.
Yo, shout out anyone in the chat from Russia who's fought or wrestled a bear. I got a lot of respect for you.
Yeah, respect. Respect.
Guys in Russia, be like, yeah, I've been fighting bears since I've been 12 years old. Yeah. Like, what? Grown bears. No, not babies. Grown-up bears. Like, whoa. Okay, all right. Khabib Jr.
And how are you still alive?
Yeah, we'll have to get like a tag team wrestling match going. I'll join one of you guys up there in Russia.
Nah, facts.
Tag
I
me
think,
in, tag me in. I'll go flying.
I think
suplex.
Suplex.
I got the bear up.
yeah, I think me, Nick, and Sam can take a bear for sure.
Oh, for sure.
Definitely.
Listen. They're mostly like, well, at least like the brown bears around here. Unless they're with their cubs, they're just running from you most of the time, bro.
They're gone.
But if they're with their cubs, it's all the
It's a
smoke.
wrap.
All the smoke. Yeah, you're done.
Shocked. Shocked.
I wrestle bears in New York session. We do a
Yeah,
little
there we
bear
go.
wrestling.
Facts. Bears and bulls.
Can you tell me what trade pairs you trade? Gold, GJ, and Nas100.
Yeah, bro, I've been watching Nas move lately. It's been moving nicely. Makes me wanna start wanting to pull the trigger on it again. Cause I haven't touched
Yes,
anything
sir.
but gold for like months.
You haven't touched what? Oh,
Any
anything
pairs but gold.
Yeah,
Gold's. I honestly think since August. Or
Damn.
what's the month after that? September?
September.
Something like that.
September.
Yeah.
Yeah, September, baby.
I wish Nas had some candles still left, but it's all good.
September was a good month. That's when I bought some Bitcoin, eh?
Yeah, true.
Oh yes, sir.
How's that BTC look?
Here comes the dump. Here comes the dump
September's
so I
great.
can add some more. Yeah.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Yeah, I was trying to become a Shiba millionaire here, but that didn't work too well. Yeah, just straight downhill.
It did the rainbow pattern. Goes up
Yeah.
and then always back to zero.
For real.
Right back down to square one. Hey, it was worth it.
Yeah, no.
It's always worth it,
Scared
bro.
money don't make no money.
Nope.
There you go. It's facts.
And at the end of the day, you don't really even want to bet on a stock or a coin. You want to bet on who's behind it. Like, what moves are they making? What connections do they have? What are they involved in, right? What do they know that you don't, or that most people don't? Like, it's never really a stock or a company that I'm betting on. It's the guy behind it, the girl behind it. Like, what are they doing? That's
Like
where
a
you get
great
the big
example
moves.
for that too is like the S&P 500. BlackRock owns 90% of it.
BlackRock, yep, and
Yeah,
Vanguard.
So it's like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Who
So it's
else?
like,
Vanguard. Yep.
just follow what they do.
Yeah, just go listen to the
And,
guys that run BlackRock. You'll know where the money's going.
The sketchy things about BlackRock and Vanguard, however you say it,
Vanguard,
dude, they control like everything, bro.
everything.
They control
everything.
everything on the music, the food, the airlines. Like it's everything.
What makes you choose a pair to trade? The session that I'm able to trade in. So what my schedule is like. First off, I want to say, hey, what time do I have to trade? You know, when can I trade? So for me, I can trade mainly the New York session. So from there, I want to say, okay, well, what pairs work well to trade during the New York session? Okay, well, you got all the USD pairs, and now it's like, all right, well, what pair has the most volatility? And that's kind of how I came up with gold, right? So gold was a pair that I wanted to really get down and learn, and I just stuck with it. Yeah, because it moves really well during the NY session. So GJ used to move really good during the NY session, but now pretty dead during NY, you know, more towards London. So we needed another pair. So what other pair goes really well? Well, you have US 30, you have Nas100, right? You have all these other, so we just decided to pick Nas100. Yeah. Nas trying to bleed? I think so. I really do. Yeah.
I believe so as well.
Yeah,
I think it will.
I think we may try and flip bearish, close bearish here on Nas today.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
And it's great landing. Glad to know you're back on schedule routine.
He's back. What up, Landon?
What up, Landon?
What's good? What's good? You will own nothing and be happy. Yep.
You will eat the bugs.
You will eat the bugs for breakfast. That's why
Focus.
digital assets are solid, but physical assets like land and cattle and food, chickens, eggs, these are going to be, we may go back to a time where these are the most valuable items.
It would make sense, honestly, going back to that time.
Assets. Yo, what up, Scott? Amen, amen.
What up, Scott?
Scotty boy. Hey, brother. Thank you for that word.
I'm on it, YOLO.
What up, Alariza? I'm doing great. Hope you're doing good.
Ali Reza in the building. John calls him Ali Reza. I call him Ali Reza. It's a Reza.
I
It's
call
a
him Ali
Reza. It's a
Reza.
Reza. Heavy Reza.
No, I call him
Rizza-
Ali Riz.
Reza. That's the Riz kid right there.
Ali Riz.
Got that Riz.
The Rizzler. He got that Riz.
Yeah.
Hope to meet you at the next meetup. Best believe I'm gonna be there. Yeah, bro. If we do something in like March, April, May, 100%. Hondos, I'm there. I'm there, baby.
Oh yeah, Sam's there. He's there.
I'll be
I know Landon will be there as well.
I'll come down south, start melting, dog. Dude, I'll probably be sunburnt like first day. I come out.
Yeah, I can't
Dude,
wait.
I'll probably come down and you guys look at me and be like, "This dude's a ghost, dog.
Yeah.
Look at us."
Oh man.
No, I'll hit the tanning bed like a week before I come. Just
Bro, probably.
Yo, Sam's gonna come down with a spray tan, looking like
Yeah.
orange.
Ew.
I remember
5 a.m. club.
yeah, like right before they go into the
That-
like power lifters, they spray them
Same.
like all bronze.
Yo, he's like, damn, I don't have time to go get a tan.
Yo,
Let
for
me
real.
just get a spray tan real quick.
Yeah.
Come down looking like Tim Allen's character from that Christmas movie.
Yeah. Yeah, that's hilarious. What was that
Sammy
movie called?
I forget. Christmas with the Crank, maybe. I don't know.
Christmas with the Cranks. Yeah, Christmas with the Cranks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the movie.
Wow, 4-hour nasty rejection here. Nasty. Let's see how this 4-hour closes now. Nothing to do here. No top
Big
break,
4-hour
plus
closure.
nasty range right here too. So
I think
I wish I didn't spend so much of my time at the meetup standing over by myself. Yeah, man, playing on my phone. Yeah, Robert.
damn, man. Should have came over to me.
It's all right. Next
Me
one.
and Landon and Felix, we were having some fire conversation. Could have been a part of it.
Yeah, the big banks, institutions, big traders should all be coming back into the market here pretty soon. Right now, chat, we're in the first 2 or 3 weeks of the year here. Just keep that in mind, okay? Like, there's still a lot of participants that aren't in yet, and once they start coming back in, you'll see normal price action here.
Sir.
Yeah, not even all the retail traders are back in yet. Some of those guys are still just chilling.
Yeah, I don't even think I started trading until like February last year.
Nah, we didn't.
Yeah.
We didn't. Where'd you get that 2027 gold markup from? Right here. That resistance right there. So we were looking at, potential buys above that zone, but then there was also another resistance right here. So we just kept the line there for now. Yeah. Take a buy? Sure. Have you taken a trade yet? No, but anytime we take a trade now, you will see it in the trades taken section there on the overlay. Yeah, right.
That's
down
clutch
here.
for anyone up.
Oh, what's Nas gonna do here?
Lead for us. Cool. Later.
Later. On the right corner? Yeah, bottom right corner, yep. Yeah, you'll also see my floating P&L there now. So we made it a little bit smaller. Silver's dropping. Let's take a look. Oh, silver's dropping.
Silver or
Let's
gold?
take a look at US 30. Yeah, US 30 is doing nothing here yet today.
Yeah, bro. The news docket looking weak too this week. I think our biggest day with news is like Thursday.
Yeah.
Not even. No.
Oh yeah, it's
Wednesday
later.
at 9:45.
word. Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, and I believe Friday. I believe, right? Yep.
Yeah, maybe Friday we might see a little more.
Yeah.
Friday.
Might be our most.
We love
Yeah,
Fridays.
but the biggest thing on the docket is next Wednesday, in my opinion, with the FOMC. That'll probably we'll
First
start
one
to
of
see
the
some
year.
direction for the year.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we'll have to see if Powell comes to the scene talking dovish, and then this is our yearly bottom wick
Yep,
for
that's true.
the indices keep going up.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, GJ sells are a bit tough down here. Really want to see if we can catch them from like up here. Oh, thank you, Scott. Thank you, brother. Yes, sir. Gonna be a big year, man. New levels, my friends. I've been preaching this. New levels. New levels.
That's fact.
Yeah, man. Yeah, GJ's tough down here because we got a lot of support here. A lot of support. What I really wanted to see from pound yen was a move up and then a resistance up top here. So like a move up and then a resistance form here so we could take our sells from up top. Right? So because it gets tough. You get a closure blow here. Now you got support. Then you support. And then support.
Yeah.
And then support. And then support. And then support.
Avoid all that.
Yeah. Support.
You gotta be cool with saying like, yo, price gotta break through all that support for me to take a trade. Like, if not, then I'm not trading. Simple, you know?
How you doing? You either hit me with the how you doing or not. GJ. Everyone, how are you doing? We're doing great. We're doing
Amazing.
great.
Might be it.
Just win
Hope
in the
you're doing good,
building. Yo, just win. Hey, just win. Your Discord has been hacked, I believe, my friend. Yeah, you gotta check out what's good in there. Someone hacked your joint.
Uh-oh. These hackers, man.
It's tough, bro.
These hackers. These hackers be hacking.
Dude, they be out here working. It's crazy.
Do, 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 do.
I'm hacking my life.
Yeah, we got the last 15 minute of the 4 hour here, so we will see what happens. Very interesting.
Yeah, I like that, John. Me too. Hacking my life. Glitching.
Back.
Rainbow
Glitching.
hacked you.
The Matrix.
Just win. Yeah, Rambo. Yeah, Nas looks pretty good too. GJ, I don't really like GJ here today. I don't like selling right here, so probably not going to touch anything unless we come back up towards like 188.400, 188.300. But gold is give gold a little bit of time, and then Nas looks like it wants to close below. And if it does close below, then I will be open to take these sells, being that the daily is all-time highs, no bottom wick. We're screaming for a pullback here. 4 hour would be closing below, right? So you had a 4 hour support, but now we're trying to attempt to close below it. And if we break that wick, even better. After this nice rejection to the top side, exhaustion wick coming down, you get a 4 hour closure. You also get a 1 hour closure below the range, 30-minute, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and mark off that daily bottom wick as well here, just to see where that is. Yeah, so I can totally see price coming down into that support right there, and that's where we will look to do some management. And then yeah, close partials or 58 pips away. So yeah, probably close partials down there and let the rest run. Gold is dumping.
She dumping. Yo.
Dump.
Rambo. That's funny.
What you want, Goldie? Goldie, Goldie.
Yeah,
I love
see what
trading gold.
happens here. We're
Me
coming
too.
into like all this 15-minute choppiness, so this could be where our 4 hour, because we could still move bullish, right? Like I said, this could be the 4 hour leaving a wick for the next candle to fill that wick. So we have to stay up on price action here. Yeah, coming into a major support level here on the 15 now too. So
4 hour closure in 11 minutes.
yep, 11 minutes. We will get
Get more.
some more information here.
Yes, sir.
Am I trading from the White House? Yes, sir.
The Blue House.
Let's go.
The Blue House, yeah, because it's all I see on my phone, baby. Blues. I'm in. You ever see that
I'm
guy?
in.
on Instagram?
I'm in.
Yeah.
I don't know. Nah,
I'm in. I'm rolling blues.
I'm him.
Thoughts on US 30, if I may ask? Let's take a look. US 30. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see what the daily is looking like. So daily, same thing as Nas here, man. No bottom wick at all yet. Coming up in these highs. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is doing very similar to what Nasdaq is doing. Tries to attempt to create the support here. I believe, yeah, we don't have much information to the left here. So 1 hour is chopping around in this range. All right, you got a support, you got a resistance. 30-minute, same thing. Yeah, it's just we're printing sideways candles here. So not too excited about US 30. Sells look pretty good. If you can come back down, correct this move here, you got nice clean candles to the left, but that's about it. Other than that, you're just kind of chopping around here.
Don't mess with the chop.
Don't mess with the chat.
Yeah, yo, that reminds me of Uncle Scalp.
For real. So guys, what you got going on right here? This right here, we call this the chap.
Yeah, the chap. Yeah.
Who remembers that video? Anyone? We don't play around in the chap. Oh man. Get to the chopper.
Next clip. They're flying over the waves. got the boat up on two wheels.
Yo. Hey, by the way, while we wait for the 4-hour candle, I want to show my appreciation to all the mods, man. All the mods that are here today. You guys seem to be the ones that have been here all year now, since we've come back, and I want to gift you guys, along with the help of top one here, you guys are all going to get $25,000 challenge accounts. So we're going to give them to you for free. Take advantage of them. Take advantage of the opportunity that that you have with that. And it's going to be a good opportunity for you guys to run through the portal and the back end and, you know, get yourself familiar with the company. So big shout out to the mods, big W, all getting 25K challenge accounts today. Just we'll talk in the mod channel on Discord.
Let's go.
Yeah, W mods. W mods.
mods.
I really appreciate you guys, man. I was like, yo, the last thing is I need challenge accounts for free for all my mods. Telling y'all,
W for the mods.
hard,
Let's
man.
go.
Let's
And then
go.
Like I said, you guys do not see the behind the scenes. A lot of hard work here.
Yeah, W's. Yanosha's getting a 25K. Scott's getting a 25K. YOLO's getting a 25K. Green's getting a 25K. TK's getting a 25K. Yeah, we also got some new mods in mind too. So we'll be dropping some new mods here pretty soon. Yeah. Yeah, I'm
Who
gonna
they
catch
gonna
up
be?
with
Who
you
they gonna
guys.
be?
Yeah, who y'all think it's gonna be?
Yeah, who's the new mods?
Yeah, who do you guys
Nice.
think the new mods will be?
I got a couple people in mind.
Yeah,
By the
I'm
way,
trying to see something.
The new mods are gonna get an account too.
Hey.
Who's that gonna be?
Got you, Scott. Hey, we appreciate you guys, man. Seriously, the chat. I know the chat appreciates you guys as well.
Facts. Definitely appreciate the mods.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. What's the plan for gold? We're gonna wait for the 4-hour candle to close here and see where we're at. Oh, who do you guys think of the mods? All right. Let's see some names here.
I see some. Okay. I'm picking up what y'all putting down. I'm about to start saying all them old head phrases, bro.
Yo, right. Later.
Sounding like an old whippersnapper.
Yeah, bro. I seen Trump roasting some guy from Yahoo, who was like, he was like a reporter. He goes, and you're from Yahoo. That's why all you do is sitting there in the crowd in Yahoo the whole time. Nobody knows you. You Yahoo.
Dude, the sound.
Yeah. Right, he's always roasting.
Yeah.
Dude's roasting people all the
Hilarious,
time.
Yo, Goldbusters in the look at that. Dolphin Milk Boy. That's
Hey,
what
he
just said.
remembers.
Yo,
Remembers
that's an
Dolphin
OG.
Milk.
It's an OG.
Goldbusters to us.
Dolphin milk, man.
Shit.
Dolphin milk.
Oh my goodness.
Let's have a vote for mod. All right, if you guys could pick 2 mods, who would they be? Who would they be, chat? Two's gonna be tough because there's definitely at least like 5.
What up, AB Mike?
A mod is someone who's very active in the chat, who helps the other people out, who helps the new people, who shows up every day, committed. That's who typically the mods are gonna be. Yeah. Oh, AB Mike. Hey, yo.
AB Mike, very favored.
Damn.
Seems like the favorite.
Lots of love for AB Mike. Deserved though.
Okay.
That's a G right there.
Top
Okay.
G.
Alright. Yeah, it's kind of it's like a sweet and sour thing, you know. Like, it's awesome to pick, but there's also a few others that can really be a mod too. But you know, we can't stack up
Right.
a football team.
Yeah.
More like a basketball.
The whole
Blue.
chat.
Whole chat gonna be blue.
Everyone gets my.
You get a mod. You get a mod. You get a 25K.
That'd be like if everyone on the street was a police officer. Everyone's
Yeah,
like-
right. Yeah, that's facts, bro.
Everyone's policing each other.
You're speeding. No, speeding to catch that speeder. Well, now I caught you.
That's hilarious.
Mods. All right, what's US 30 gonna do? Oh, not US 30, Nas.
GJ not yet ripe. Yeah, GJ ain't been in season
Nah.
for a couple months.
Yeah, not yet.
Jay's whack.
The guitar will decide. Hey, the guitar is back to regular timing here. By the way, chat, we're gonna be back to regular time moving forward. So 6:45 a.m. Eastern is when we're gonna start. Yeah, the last 2 weeks I was just I had some other stuff going on in the morning, so I had to start the stream a little bit later. But yeah, we're back to regular scheduled timing. And keep in mind, chat, we're giving away two $50,000 challenge accounts this week. So you got to be subbed to the channel, and that's it. Yeah, you just got to be subbed. Yeah, we're gonna check.
Bro,
We're gonna
50K
check.
account
Yeah, that's a pretty good deal.
is enough. Is enough to change your life, no matter
We're
where
giving
you
away
are right
two
now.
of them.
There you go. So, double your chances.
Yeah, you can get a good payout off of 50K. Absolutely. You can get a good payout off
Heck yeah,
of like 25K too.
dude, for sure. I mean, it's what, like three? I mean, even at like four to like 8%, like that's around like 3 to like it's around like 2 to 4K. Like that could go a long way for a lot of people.
Yeah.
You know, for sure. Oh, and keep in mind that that's from your computer,
Right.
right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's not
That's
putting
like the biggest
putting
thing.
in 40 hours of the week, right? That's just a couple minutes from the computer. So keep in mind that it's all from your computer.
Yeah. Yeah, and then I
Yeah.
feel like a thing with trading is like so many people come into the game and then they want to look like they already made it. Right? There's absolutely nothing wrong with like, you know, having your job and stacking your money and building up a nice safety net for yourself for you to be able to be a full-time trader one day, right?
Bro,
yeah.
Like
1,000.
everyone wants to get rich off of like their first payout, and like I feel like that's where a lot of things go wrong.
But
Like if you
Yeah.
could just stack those up, like bro, like if you could do even like 5% a month, like that's so good on like any account, obviously, but you know.
For sure.
no, that's so true, bro. Like if you don't want to quit your job, don't quit your job, right? Like
Yeah, you
Keep
don't want to put
stacking
all
that
that
bread.
pressure on yourself.
yeah, no, for
Because
sure.
then you're telling yourself like you absolutely have to pass, right? Let this
Yeah,
be a
no,
process. You want to fall in love with learning the chart, learning the candles, and watching this every single day. Like, fall in love with the craft, not the money, chasing the money.
Yeah.
I feel like, you know, we say that awful lot, but it's so true.
So true though. Yeah. Very facts.
And the reason we say that is because
Heck
we
yeah.
care about making money, right? It's not that we're
Yeah.
trying to completely put money over there. No, we understand that that's what brings money over here, right? When you focus
Yeah.
on all the money over there, you never get dialed in on the process, which will bring the money to you, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So in a way, by not focusing on the money will come to you. All right, here we are. So we got a 4-hour closure here. 1 hour, so 4-hour close bullish, leaving a wick. 1 hour close, pretty strong bearish here. Same thing with the 30-minute as well. So let's see what we do come 9:15. If we can get out of this zone here, that would be great. But we'll see if we can get a potential bottom wick, another rejection, and then if we can get a support here on the 15. So something like nice bullish support, then there's a high probability that we will move up here. So let's see what happens. give this like 15 minutes, and we'll see which way the 4 hour wants to go here.
That's
Rambo
facts,
from
AB
live.
Mike. Facts.
Yeah, that's true. Alexandru is in the building. Yeah, they're.
Yeah. And money, remember, money itself will not make you happy, but the things that money bring will make you happy, right? Not money itself.
Yeah, nah, that's
Yeah,
so
right.
true. I remember my first goal, like the first like bigger one was like, man, if I could ever make $10,000 in a month, that would be just awesome. And then I did it, and it was awesome, but nothing really changed. You know, I was still putting on, you know, the same sweatpants the next day. You know, and then one time it was 20K, and then
Yeah.
you know, yes, it's amazing. Things do change, peace of mind, money in the bank, but you are not going to change, right? You change to this slow, mundane process day in and day out. That's when you change. The money won't change you, right? But those little insignificant success habits that we talk about, or failure habits, will push you in a direction slowly, and that'll ultimately be where the change happens, you know, the change in you. So money's never going to change you. You know, you're not going to just, you know, get a bunch of money and be like, oh my God, I'm a different guy now. Like, it's not real.
Yeah, if anything, if you get that money so quick like that, it's just gonna hurt you
Yeah.
more than anything. It comes so fast, man. Like, I'll tell you.
Yep.
For sure. Or you're just gonna want more, right? You're gonna want more. Like you just wanted 10,000 so bad, right?
Now
That
you're
when you
just gonna
got
want
it,
20.
you just wanted more. Yeah,
For real.
100%.
So it never ends. It never ends. Wait,
Just
let's
keep
take a look
using
at
it as a
Nas
tool.
here. Nas closed right at support. So we did close bearish on the 4 hour, which is good. So I'm expecting the next 4 hour candle here on Nas to look something like this, right? Create a top wick and then move down to tap into that support there, right? So we do need to break these lows first right here. And I think if we get a closure on the lower time frame, like let's say on a 30-minute time frame, we will break that low, right? So if we could break that low and then close, meaning like top wick, break the low, close below. Now we've officially broken the 4 hour lows. Therefore, the next 30-minute candle at 9:30, let's not draw this wick, let's draw this wick. Should drive, right? Tap it in towards like 17,350 here. Yeah. Yep, that's it. So if we could break that low first and then close below, we're looking for some selling opportunities. What a lot of people make 15K and buy a challenger, start back over at zero. Yeah, that's got to be the dumbest thing you can do. Make a bunch of money and then spend it. Holy.
And then gone.
All right, back to zero.
Oh, that's what's gonna separate the rich from the poor, right? Their money management skills.
Yeah, and guess what? That also separates all the people that were working on themselves, right? Doing the mundane task. When the money comes, they'll understand how to handle it. They'll have wisdom to handle it. But when it comes, and if you don't have that, if you don't have those are skill sets in itself, right? Delay gratification, understanding how to manage money and be a good steward of it. You know, if you don't have those skills, you're gonna blow your money.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was. Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah.
All right, cool. That's the low right there. Lovely. So yeah, 15 closure, 30 closure should be pretty solid here on Nas. Andrew Tater Tot, forgot to say what up to you, bro. What up? What up? What up? What up? The chart you showed.
Nah, for real, landing that concept.
Yeah, it really opened your eyes. Yeah, no, for sure, for sure. It's Finances 101.
Where'd you do that at?
Yeah, no, we did that the other day.
Where was I at? I was
I
probably
don't
dealing
know.
with my car battery or my oil.
Or
my
your
phone.
phone.
Bro,
Yeah, I
let me
forget
tell
that.
you, last week, wow.
I think that was last week. We did the management concept.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I had to learn that too. Like, wow, that's what I was gonna say. Like, yeah.
Yeah, no, we talked last week. We talked a lot about money, right? And I'll draw it out just for. I mean, we talked a lot about money. How your money is right here, right? And then as you begin to succeed, your money will continue to grow, right? If this is a state of your or a chart of your income, as your income continues to grow, what a lot of people do is if the white line represents their spending and the green line represents their income, the problem with most people is they're brand new to money. So they think all the money they get, they need to spend. So they increase their expenses, right? They increase their lifestyle. They go buy a new car, they go get a new house, and they keep themselves so tight without any breathing room. And what happens is a lot of times in business and entrepreneurship, like I was saying the other day, you'll have these dips. Like you'll have 2 months where you don't make any money, whether it be in trading, whether it be in your business, whatever it is that you're doing, right? You come down, you have these dips. So you really need to keep those expenses low, right? Keep those expenses low. That's all I've done. I've just stayed right here, right? I've only increased them a little bit, but nothing drastic. And that's why I have time on my side, right? Within this gap here is what you call freedom, right? This is where freedom lies. But if you stay too close and you keep your expenses too high as your income grows, you'll never get there. You'll always be backpedaling. Always. Right? So keep your as your income grows, keep your expenses steady where they are. So you can actually get a breath of fresh air.
Yeah, get freedom, right? Not luxury, but freedom.
Yep. Yeah, we don't need luxury yet.
Separate yourself from the mass.
Yeah.
We don't need luxury yet. We need freedom first.
Separating yourself. Yeah, and separating yourself from the masses, because what is society really doing? People in society, they're getting their paycheck and they're spending it the next day. They're spending it the next week. And remember, that's normal behavior, but it's not good behavior, right? So we got to separate ourselves from what the masses are doing.
Yeah, that's so
That
true.
is, yeah.
Yeah, and like, use your money as a tool. Like, think of it truly like as a tool, because that's what it is. It's not just a piece of paper with, some old president's face on it or whatever it is.
Yeah,
wherever country you're from, like, it's a tool.
Yeah.
Just like, Nick was just saying, and John was just saying, to buy yourself more time. The more that you have, the more freedom that you have to explore opportunities to create some more money.
Yep.
And improve yourself and so many other things, right? So, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, and then what you
that's
should do
good.
too is you should draw on a piece of paper and put a line in the middle, right? And what you want to really get a track on is, okay, well, how much money do I have coming in, right? And how much money do I have going out, right? This is simple, basic budgeting. And if there's more money going out than there is coming in, then my friend,
That's not good.
that's not good. That's bad math. So what you need to do is you need to write down how much this number is. What is this figure, right? And then you need to label what's going out. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Name all the things that are going out. And if this is like a stupid thing like Netflix, dude, get rid of it, right? If this is like some like gym membership that you no longer use or internet membership, get rid of it, right? Start to limit these things and only keep in this box what you absolutely need, because your goal is freedom, right? To be free. So whatever you don't absolutely need on this outgo, get rid of it so more can stay in, right? And as you stack money in, now you can develop some choices. right? Have some choices, have some freedom, take a breath of fresh air. You don't have to be, you get paid on Friday and by, you know, Thursday the next week, you have no more money. Like, I've been there, trust me, but that was before. My mentor taught me this years and years ago. Took me a year or so to actually get it in place, but once I did, it made all the difference. So yeah, take it if you like it. If not, leave it.
That's important though. I feel like if you're really like, looking to get into entrepreneurship, you gotta understand that. And if you want to add more outs, you gotta have more ins.
Yep.
Usually.
Yeah, there's
Not
only
really,
one
and it's
solution.
like
make more money.
Yep.
yeah,
Make more money, or new source of income, or have one of your sources make more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so true because
Yeah,
like what
but
if your perspective on money is actually wrong? Like, there's people that spend $1,000 on t-shirts, right? So how can one person spend $1,000 on a t-shirt and another person not even have $1,000 in their bank account? Is it that $1,000 is a lot of money, or is it that you're poor and you actually have no money, right? Because $1,000 on a t-shirt, that doesn't seem like a lot of money to that person. So maybe we just don't have a lot of money, and that's why we think $1,000 is a lot.
Yep.
So
Since you
expand it.
Since you can't count on making more money, right? That's why you can count on limiting your expenses and maintaining or having the income you have now, but limiting your expenses, because that's something you can do.
Yep.
Right? That's something you can count on.
Yeah, and you know what me and my wife did when we wanted something? And luckily I've been blessed with an incredible wife. I've married up, and she's been down for all this, and that's why she's sitting pretty with no job, sleeping right now at 9-12 a.m. with the kids, right? Because she was willing to sacrifice it with me. And even though we did have the money, and still today, right? Let's say we do have the money for something, and we're going to teach our kids this as well. We won't just go buy it. We'll set a goal, right? And when we accomplish that goal, then we'll go get it. Even though we have the money to do it, you want to set a goal to get things. Like, people are freaked out in the store when all the kids are going, "Mommy, I want this. Mommy, I want this." And, Alea's over here like, "Goal? Can we set goal? Can we set goal for this? Daddy, can we set a goal?" So, yeah, man.
Yep.
Nas is still got a minute 25.
For real though, and that concept will give you freedom, right? Wiggle room for freedom, when most people, and I'm not saying this is bad, if this is you, that's fine. You do what you got to do, right? But most people, they will get themselves in debt, right? I don't know what that may be. They can get themselves in debt, and then now they are a slave. Now you're in debt, you're owing, and you have to work until you pay that debt off. So now you're a slave.
Yeah.
So that concept will give you freedom.
Set a goal. Yeah, people are freaked out in the supermarket when they hear a 3-year-old saying, "Can we set a goal for this?" Oh, man. May I have the link to register for the new funded account? Yeah, just hit ! top 1 in the chat, and then the link will pop up. All right, cool. We are breaking these lows here, which is good. It's good. What's your view on mortgage and renting and buying? There's pros and cons to both. So I don't want to be like mortgage is stupid, rent. I think depending on where you're at in life and what your vision is and goals are, there's pros and cons to both buying and renting. For me personally, I personally just rent now. I don't want to buy. I don't want to be stuck anywhere. I want to be free to move about. So, yeah. But, you may be in a situation in life where it makes sense for you to buy. So I think there's pros and cons to both. But one thing I can say is the word mortgage in Latin, if you break it up, it's morgate, which basically means death grip. So I definitely don't want to be in some sort of death grip. If I'm going to purchase a house, I want to build it I want to build something that I want, or find something I want where I can see myself you know, staying for like the next 20 years, 10, 15, 20 years. And then buy it cash, you know, no mortgage.
That's the goal for me. Buy it cash. It was good, TK.
TK's in the house. What up,
Morning, bro.
TK? Get some sleep. That water park tire you out, man.
Yeah, bro. How was it?
Yeah, 15 closing, no bottom wick there too. So it's kind of similar to what happened on Friday. So let's wait on the 30-minute time frame here. If we can close below, then we'll be in pretty good standings. Yeah, I wanna buy some property on like a farm. That'd be sick.
Really want to farm. I need my own farm.
If you rent, you're just paying someone else's mortgage. There's pros and cons to both. You know, there's cons to renting too. It's just all about like what you want to do over the next. For me, it's just what do I want to do over the next couple years, right? If I buy now, I got to worry about the landscape, and it adds a whole bunch of projects that I'm not really interested in doing right now. I just want to rent. I just want to be free in a year or two to jump around, do what I want. So it really does, like I said, there's pros and cons to both of them. There is no right or wrong answer. It's cold for the water park. Yeah, it was an indoor water park, right, TK? They really fooled us, bro. Yo, they did.
Yo, that us.
Yeah, they're building what was it? The Great Wolf Lodge, right? Yeah, they're building one here in Naples pretty soon. Yeah, maybe TTE will have a big old party at the one in Naples.
Be sick.
Yeah.
Naples
yeah.
is gorgeous.
By the way, one of the things I like, so one of the CEOs of Top One is a guy named Matt, and Matt has insane connections. He used to own another company that was like a travel company. So this dude has insane connections, bro, with like resorts and hotels and all over the world. So one thing that they plan on doing is flying out like some of their top funded traders, some of their staff, and doing like these retreats. So like doing like weeks in Cancun or weeks in Tulum. They took, Hawaii, all these different places. So that's another really cool thing I like about them, because like my boy Luke says, man, we're all about, side questing at this point, right? We want to travel the map and get these new experiences. And so that's another thing that we have to look forward. So if as long as we run it up and do the right thing in our trading, dude, they'll probably fly us out to all these different places. So it's going to be pretty fun. Yeah, AB Mike's definitely coming to that.
Yeah. See you there, AB Mike. Yo, AB Mike, I'm down, bro. I'm down.
Goldie. Okay, look, we broke that low on the 4 hour, which is actually pretty good. I don't want to take a buy here because we didn't close too strong bullish. So we'll see how we close here on the 30-minute time frame. And then that's where we'll have 930 coming in. And if we close bullish, then we'll most likely see a move back up towards like 29 here.
Yeah, I like above 25.
Yeah, that's true, AJ. Yeah, maintenance be popping up and all this stuff. So unless you're ready for that, then. Me, I'm not a handyman though. Like I got a guy. You know what I mean? I just call a guy. He's that guy.
That guy.
Ooh, AB Mike, let's run.
Let's go, AB Mike. Sounds good.
Gold. So honestly, GJ's chalked. Gold is not doing the greatest here. Nas is looking pretty decent though. Yeah, we got pretty good
30
stops here on Nas as well if we do close below. Buying and rented are both awesome for different reasons. Yeah. Pros and cons. Yo, so all the mods, if you guys can hit me up in the Discord, I'm gonna just ask you for just if you guys want MT4, if you want MT5, you guys are all gonna get $25,000 challenges. So basically, just let me know if you want MT4 or MT5, and if you want to do a 1-step or 2-step. Let's make green a fake account. Proud of you, Mr. Don. Wrong stream, bro. Been in a meeting with the boss. Louis G's back. Let's go.
Louis G.
Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, there's a top wick. Can we break the high and then close below? That if that could happen, that'll be lovely. Gold, same thing. If we can get a support on gold, I think 4 hours should be ready to roll. So if this candle can close bullish, you have 9:30 for us to shoot to the moon. Yeah, but I'll probably be targeting 20:30 here.
Sure. Hopefully we can get what we're looking for.
Step 1 and step 2. I think the biggest thing for me is the leverage. You got less leverage on the on the 1-step. So I'm gonna do a 200K 2-step challenge. Yeah, I'm gonna start that tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna hook this account up to the copy trader and just start it all tomorrow. I'm gonna make a video of like my login, basically I'm gonna make a video of every day, and then we're gonna track everything here on TradeZella together. Do you have a discount? Yeah, so basically we're gonna get 30% off for life. So right now the company's actually running a 30% discount, like company wide, but they're gonna be taking that down soon, and we'll continue to have that 30% off. Did you tell the boss I'm the real G? Louis G. I'm using MT5. Yeah, I use MT5. MT5. Yeah, you guys still using MT4? I haven't used MT4 in a while now.
It's been a minute for me too.
Yeah, that's like using like the old iPhone after it updated.
For real.
Profit split. Yeah, you can purchase up to you can have it's 80-20, but you can add an add-on, which makes it 90-10. Sheesh, what is good here? Yeah, the only thing I'm really looking at now is gold and Nas. GJ, I don't like. Gold, if we close bearish like this, nothing we could really do. Yeah, you got a 4-hour celery, but I'd rather see a closure below support before we take our sells. So, yeah, you got a clean range coming down, but you got this support right here. We got 3 minutes for a 30 closure. Gold's not looking like it's going to close bullish at all. What you got for us today, Nasdaq?
Azzy. Oh.
Will there be a link in the Discord for the prop firm? Yeah, we're going to put it in the announcements section. So there's an announcements section. We'll put it in there. That's typically where we put all the big stuff. So we'll put it in there. Yeah, announcements. 2 minutes. Just win. Yeah, you got hacked, I guess, dude. They don't want to see you win.
Hacked.
They ain't trying to see you win, bro. I'm trying to see you win, though. Trying to see you win. Copy link. Yeah, if anything, I'll put the video in the announcement section, and I will put the link for it. All right. 1 minute here for the closure. All right. Gold struggling? Yes. There isn't a discount code. If you just click that link, that will automatically give you the discount. So a TT is forever going to get a 30% discount on all challenges. All right.
Damn it, Nas.
You can do it. Oh, no.
Womp, womp, womp.
Oh, man.
Gold doing
yeah.
the same thing.
Nothing.
Damn it, 930.
Yeah, if you get a bearish closure back below, then potentially we could still move down here. But nothing there for me on Nas. Yeah, Nas closed above. Gold closed below. So, yeah, nothing here. Nothing here.
Part of the game.
Unfortunately. It's good old Monday.
Yeah.
Good old Monday.
Good old Monday.
That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, we'll wait, because if the 4 hour wants to go down, then what'll happen is it'll make a steeper top wick, and then on the 15 we'll get a new closure. So if we get that, we get it. If not, it's not a big deal. Oi! Join your stream Friday for the first time. Really enjoyed it. Oh, nice. God fear man. Hey, let's go. Awesome, be with like-minded people. Yeah, welcome, guys. Hey, if you guys aren't sub to the channel, if you're new here, sub to the channel. We're giving away two $50,000 challenge accounts this week to somebody who's subscribed to the channel. So that's literally all you got to do is sub to the channel, and then we're gonna pick a winner from the subscribers. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so funny, bro.
50K, man.
Off
50K.
Hey, life changing from your computer. Keep in mind. Damn.
Yo, US30 hit. Craziest packy.
Did it?
Yeah, yo.
Damn, Nas, bro.
I don't even.
At that volume.
Nas, be quick. 930, quick. What happened to US30? I don't trade US30. You might have came in when we were just kind of glancing at it before because somebody asked. But oh yeah. Oh, you're saying what happened to it? I see. Crazy pack.
Yeah,
1 hour
look
pack,
at that, bro.
Holy.
Who's gonna be the winner of that 50K account?
Oh, 50K. We got two winners coming. Got
Dude's
two
about to be
winners.
making $500 from his computer.
Yeah, we're giving away like over 200,000 in challenges this week between the mods and the 250Ks.
Yeah, that's fine.
Bravo. That is awesome. I love that.
I appreciate you saying a prayer in your live stream. First trader I've seen do that. Yeah, because this is all a gift from God. I mean, you guys would be crazy to think I was able to put all this together. You know, I'm just a regular person, man, that's just willing to follow the call on my life. That's all. I'm just, I don't want to say dumb enough, but I'm just dumb enough to be faithful. All right? That's it.
This is all God's work. Literally.
That's it. None of this is from my hand. All I've done is showed up every day and gave you guys like I do a lot of I pour in a lot, you know. I pour into my own self a lot. I speak very well to myself. I read a lot of good books. I listen to a lot of podcasts, and I am in a constant relationship with God, right? In constant conversation, trying to really download wisdom. And all I do is fill my cup up and pour it out. That's all I do. I go back, I fill it up, I come here, I pour it out. I pour it out into my kids, I pour it out into my friends, my brothers, to you guys. It's just a consistent back and forth, filling up, pouring out, filling up, pouring out. That's it. Everything else,
God's work, bro.
yeah. I just water the ground and God grows the seed.
Yep.
Yeah, bro, I like that. Yeah, when I was young, they said stuff like that. That's what they told me. They said it was something just like that, and it was like to what you just said. You can't take it from anyone else's bucket to get happiness for yourself either.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So remember that.
Facts, bro.
Yeah, you gotta go fill your bucket up yourself.
Yeah.
True.
You can help people and help them fill theirs up. You know, you can give them some of yours.
Yep.
But you can't take from them.
Yeah.
1,000%.
I don't know why. It just gave me like
No, it's true.
a little
It's
memory,
true.
bro.
Bro, it's facts. It's facts, bro.
Too much is given, much is acquired. Yes. Yep.
Bro, and from 2 years before the stream even happened, chat, Nick's been saying, we've been knowing, this is all God's work. It's all God's work. This is the calling that God had.
Any good book recommendations? Absolutely. What do you want to learn, my friend? You want to learn about, what do you want to learn? I got a book for you. I see a lot of you guys are stacking wins early in the morning too, eh? Feels good, doesn't it? Yeah, you stack these
sir.
little wins in the morning, and then by mid-afternoon you're rolling. You're feeling good. I'm back. Hey, Rafi's back. Let's go.
What up, Rafi? My boy.
Just win. Oh, look at this. Broke 4-hour highs. Yeah, we did break that high there. Another all-time high here on Nas. Yeah, gold. So no sells here for me on gold. Right, we closed above support. Very little to no bottom wick on there as well. 4-hour close bullish, I believe. Yeah. So 4 hours still bullish here. We still could fill this wick coming up. So let's see how the 15 closes here, and then we may be able to get a position. But as of right now, nothing for me. Trading books, mindset books, self-development. The best self-development book for me would be the Bible. If you can go in there and really read through the book of Proverbs, I think that you will get yourself on the right path. And then in terms of mindset books, there's a really good book called Mindset by damn, I can't remember the name of the girl, but really good book called Mindset. Talks about a fixed mindset versus a growth mindset and how to, take yourself from one to the other. That's a really good book. You also have The Magic of Thinking Big, which is probably outside of the Bible my favorite book ever. One of the best books I ever read. Really helped me make some changes in my life. What else? Trading, I would go with the Forex Mindset. Yeah, I would go and that'll be a book that'll help you with trading and mindset in general too. But then you got books like Think and Grow Rich, Magic of Thinking Big. You have the 5 a.m. Club, which was a really good book I would recommend to people. You got The Power of Positive Thinking, good book. Yeah, there's a ton of books. Yeah, Carol Dweck, that's her. Yep, Dweck, I think it's. Yeah, The Magic of Thinking Big is one of my favorite books. You also got The Slight Edge. If you guys want to learn about patience, I've seen somebody say patience. Check out The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson and The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy.
Ooh, compound effect.
I am a very big reader. Very big reader.
Bro has a library.
I've never read The Naked Trader.
I've only read one trading book.
Yeah. I read Trading in the Zone, and I read the Forex Mindset. I like the Forex Mindset a little bit better. It just honestly kept me a little bit more entertained.
I want to read Trading the Zone.
Yeah, I do have I have a lot of good books on my Instagram. So let me show you guys. If you guys go to my IG, you'll see some books here that are pretty helpful. Let me scroll down a little bit. Yeah. So you got to come down a little ways, but there's some good books in here. So Power of the Subconscious Mind, Relentless was really good by Tim Grover. If He Only Knew, Men, The 4 Hour Work Week, good book. Oh yeah, Naked Forex or Naked Trader? Is that the one you're talking about? Yeah. The Expectant Father. I'll be honest, I didn't even read that book.
Hindu poster for the
Yo,
flex.
that book is massive. Do you know how much money that author
I didn't
makes
even
on
read it.
dudes buying that book, or like chicks buying the book for their husband or something, and then they just never read it? That guy's probably a millionaire, and no one's even read the book.
Yo, look at Nas, bro.
Nazzy Naz, let's go. 4-hour packy
look
coming in
over.
hot.
Damn.
We gotta
Sheesh.
Bro, I
watch
can't
this.
wait
Looks
to
like
trade Nas.
We got incredible stops here. They're only 900 pips. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, we'll have to use current candle stops if we do trade Nas here.
Golden Nas
Yeah,
or
that's 15 minute. Gonna need to give a good current.
Golden Nas is such a sick lineup, boys. Like they're about to put in some work for us this year.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What else we got here? The Way of the Peaceful Warrior. Good book. Yeah, this was a good book. The Four Agreements. This is the book Mindset I was telling you guys about right here. Mindset. Emotional Intelligence. Some of you guys. The Art of Dealing with People. Incredible book. Oh, now we're getting deep. The Tongue, a Creative Force, and What to Say When You Talk to Yourself. Talk to me after those books. After you read those books. These two right here. Yeah.
I got my wife reading that book.
Yeah. Compound Effect, which I told you guys about. Outwitting the Devil. Really good books here. So, yeah. That's about it. Yeah. Yep.
Bro, Nas gone.
Yeah.
Hey, what's good, Rafi?
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
What's up, bro?
Those lows.
Yeah, Nas
It's
gone.
wild, bro.
Yeah. 15 close will be good here. 2 minutes.
Yeah, it would.
I never read Jordan Peterson's book, The 12 Rules of Life. I haven't read it, so I'm not too sure.
I have that book. I never read it either. I was gonna be the first
Really?
book I get into. Yep. Yeah, it's downstairs somewhere.
Yeah, I had a feeling this was going to happen here. Driving back down now. There's plenty of range to go here. Best loser wins. Yeah, that was a good. Actually, I did that one on Audible, so I forgot about that one. Yeah. I kind of already understood all those concepts though, just from being in entrepreneurship for a while. Just, you know, every failure leads you closer and closer to success, and it's not about the failure, it's about can you keep your head up through it all and stay composed. Yeah, Nas was nice.
Everything.
Big exhaustion.
Oh, gold too. She's setting up too. Oh, whoa! Yo, gold just went like 50 pips. That was actually crazy, bro.
Yo,
Are you for
930
real?
pushing.
Yo, yeah, I was like,
Let me
alright,
look.
she's setting up. She was like
Damn.
coming right underneath that support. I blinked. Gone.
Oh, damn.
Sheesh.
Gold.
Gone, bro.
Here comes the volume.
Got me quaking over here.
Yeah, we got gold and Nas here. Stops are what? 70 pips on
Huge.
gold. Sheesh.
For yeah, it's not gonna be worth it.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, Scott, did you see that, bro?
Yeah, thanks, Scott. Only the OGs remember.
Did someone say,
What?
"Ooh, free Rafi"? He said, I almost fell out the chair, bro.
Sam's gone.
Free Rafi. What is Rafi in Zoom? Oh yeah, I see him.
Sam.
I spy my little eye. Rafi.
Hold on one sec, Rafi. Let's see if we could do anything here.
9:45.
Closed. 9:45. Yeah, Nas don't look too bad here. We would have to use current candle stops, and then gold. Gold doesn't have a bottom wick here just yet. I want to see if we could flip and make a bottom wick and then come back up a little bit and then drive. Other than that, I'd rather see the 30-minute close below support here. Yeah, and Nas.
Honestly, don't like Nas.
Yeah,
honestly.
I think we wait on Nas too, because we should wait on these 30-minute candles here now. This is a 30-minute candle. Yeah.
30-minute or 15, right?
Rafi getting a massage. He's done. He's done. Yeah, gold. I'd rather see the 30-minute candle close here. Rafi, my brother.
Yo, what's going on, family? What's going on?
Yo,
Yo.
going on,
What's
brother?
up, brother?
Yo, what's
it's
going
too much
on, bro?
gold over here, bro. Too much. I can't move anymore.
Facts.
That's funny.
Stacking up over there.
Hella
bro.
gold, bro.
Yeah, man. How do you guys have a good weekend? What's going on, chat?
Phenomenal.
Yeah,
Man, it was
good weekend.
blessed.
Oh, nice.
How was your weekend, bro?
nice. Yeah, that's
Oh,
fire.
yeah.
Man, I had a great weekend, bro. Like last night, I sent a picture to Nick. Just getting a massage, just getting ready for the week.
Hey, that's the
$4
best way to start a week.
Bro, no, it's funny because I'm like, we're about to pay, and she's like, oh yeah, well, the prices went up, and I look, and it was like 110K, so which is like $7. I was like, okay.
Should be like, you're
She was
killing
like,
me.
is that okay? I'm like, yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, you're killing me with these prices here.
Yeah, bro, they're taxing on you.
It was
Ooh, that's
funny,
a
man.
little
It
high.
was funny, man. It feels like we give a tip because not a lot of people here tip. We tip half of what the massage is. Like
Sheesh.
this women are like, whoa, no, that's too much. It's fine. It's
Sheesh.
$4. It's okay. Yeah.
That's
Yo,
fire, bro.
I'm moving where you're
Yeah.
at, bro.
Bali, here we come.
Yeah, bro.
Lele's ready to take on Bali.
I'm ready
Oh,
for
bro,
it.
she would love it out here, bro.
I'm ready for
You'll
those
love it out
massages,
here.
those daily massages.
Yeah,
That
bro,
was crazy because I was talking to one of my boys that he lives like half of the year in Dubai, and he's like, Balinese massage is the thing out there. Like it's very exotic, and it's like, yo, you get it here everywhere for like $7. It's super expensive out there. He says, I don't know, it's funny.
Yo.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
If I ever to come there, I'm fishing, 100%. I've seen some crazy
Fishing?
videos. Fishing. I love
Oh
fishing.
yeah,
Yeah, bro.
yeah.
I love fishing.
Fishing,
I would
bro.
go-
Fishing is like trading right there,
Exactly. I love it. Yo,
bro.
like,
If you want to experience that, come here fishing and go surfing.
yeah, I've never been surfing. I'll probably get clapped, but I'll catch a nice, probably like a huge, big, like bluefin tuna or something, bro. I
But it's
love
the same
doing
thing.
it.
You just gotta
Or
wait on the
spearfishing.
waves.
Underwater with the
You
spear
can't be
gun.
getting emotional.
Bro,
You can't get it FOMO because you get FOMO, you get clapped. So it's
That's
like you
facts.
actually train your mind and body, bro. Like you need to wait on the waves. You need
need
to
balance.
wait. You can't be getting too crazy.
yeah,
Yo, that's
I have to
facts.
find my balance.
I would be down to do both of them. Run them both up.
Yeah, bro. Well, I'd like because the water and that's like so clear out there, so you can go like straight up underwater with the
Yeah.
goggles, spear gun, bro. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I love that. In the water with the fish. Bro, I might even just grab on one. Come here, boy.
Just wrestle one. Spear fishing, bro. Imagine. That'd be sick.
Go fish barehanded.
Like the good
You
old
can
days.
over here, the little guys. Like if you stay calm, you see the little guys coming in. Like you can. I mean, you need to train, but you can see the little
Yeah,
guys.
for real.
Yeah.
That's some savage
Yeah, bro,
savage
and
stuff right there.
But I used to catch crayfish, crawfish, crayfish, whatever you call them. You got to get up behind them, bro. And then, because then they shoot backwards. They're like little lobsters.
Yo, so like, here's the question: Do you have a strategy when you go fishing?
Yeah.
You should.
Depends. So like, like when it rains, you have a higher win rate.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, you have a higher win rate if it's raining because it's just like you got stuff like the water dripping onto the top of the rain dripping on top of the water. So it's like if food were hitting the top,
That makes
fish are more likely to bite. Yeah.
There you go. That's a strategy right there.
Yeah.
You think about it.
Only fish when it rains.
You wait for the rain. You
Yeah.
wait for the rain. You're a rain fisher.
Dude, facts,
Yeah, I
bro.
don't know. There's a couple other things. It
Nah,
depends
bro.
like what kind
Rain-
of fish you're trying to catch.
Rain fishing isn't good. You suck at rain fishing, bro. No
Yeah,
one
rain
catches
fishing-
fishes in the rain.
It's a terrible strategy.
You gotta use
Yeah.
these glow in the dark little floaty things.
Bro,
If you don't, you're an
Sam,
idiot.
when you're down here, bro, we'll go fishing
I'd love to, bro. I'll
Fishing
do
for
it.
for
men.
alligators.
Yeah, I'll be in there like what's his name, bro? Steve.
Steve,
Steve
yeah,
Irwin.
Irwin.
Crikey, mate.
Steve Irwin.
Look at this thing, man. This is the deadliest animal on the face of the planet. I'm gonna give him a kiss. If he bites me, I'll be dead in half a second. But I'm gonna give him a kiss. Yeah,
I'll be
nuts, man.
Yeah, I'll be in the
Dude.
swamp rolling with him.
I'm good on that.
Swamp.
Swamp monster Sam.
Swamp monsters. Don't bring
Swamp
out the whole
monkey.
ocean. That's my strategy. Bring out the whole ocean.
Yeah, I mean, like, if you think about fishing, baseball, surfing,
Yeah, I like surfing too.
Waiting for a bus.
like all these things, they pretty much relate to trading. Because in baseball, like you gotta have a strategy. Every time you go to the plate, bro, you gotta have an approach. If you don't have an approach, you're dead, man.
Yeah.
As a pitcher, you gotta have an approach with every batter. Every situation, you're gonna have an approach. You're gonna have a strategy. When we talk about fishing, there you go. I mean, if you think about fishing, you do something that works. That's a strategy, right? And for surfing, it's like there's a certain way that you wait for. When you see that, that's when you get on. That's when you start paddling. So
Wait, so you don't take
strategy,
every wave?
so like if you think about it, strategy is, huh?
So you don't take every wave that comes your way?
You don't take every wave, no, because you have to have a certain amount of force. You have to have a certain amount of height. Like
Mhm.
it's like you see the other guys. It's like there's a lot into it.
Top wick, bottom
So
wick.
like if you think about it, it's like exactly, it's just the same. So, bro, it's just crazy. Like if you think, I was talking to one of my clients here, and he wanted to set up a plan for the year. And I was like, yo, you need to have a strategy when it comes to your failures. How do you handle your failures? How do you handle stress? Because we know you're talented, but when things don't go right, that's when we don't go right. So we need to have a strategy for your failures, for how to handle stress, how to handle with losses, how to handle with pressure. Everything. You have to have a strategy for everything. So the thing for you guys that are listening over here, just think about this for a second. You go out on a date. Do you have a strategy? Bro, you gotta have some sort of script. You say the same thing that it works. Am I wrong?
I got unspoken
Bro,
rules.
You know what I'm saying?
strategy
If you don't,
is
then
everything.
Bro, it is. If you're gonna close a deal, you gotta have some sort of script. You take this sale. I mean, bro, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you start working on strategies in your personal life, it's gonna be a lot easier for you to stick to your own strategy for trading. Simple.
Yep.
I agree.
Can't
100%.
pretend to have a strategy for trading when you're all over the place,
Yeah, man. My strategy for
That's like,
when my wife wants me to take her out and I don't know where to go, I say, honey, guess where I'm taking you tonight?
yeah, bro.
She's like, oh, don't tell me you're taking me to X, Y, and Z. I'm like, how did you guess? Yes, we're going to X, Y, and Z, baby. I knew you wanted to go there all week.
Yeah,
I have it all planned out. Blah, blah, blah.
It works.
Yo, I need some reservations.
facts.
I need that shit. Hey, I need it ASAP, bro. I'll
That's
pay
facts,
extra.
bro.
I'll pay extra. Oh, man. Got to have a strategy. That's why we talk about all the time, like creating these systems for your life and living on a system in a way, like just keeping you dialed in, right? Otherwise, someone else is going to give you a system and you're going to follow their rules and the rules that their system requires, or you can just, get your own going and live by your own system that's going to keep you ahead of the game.
Yeah, bro. Not having a strategy is like not having a plan, right? At the end of the day.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Same thing.
No, I love the surfer analogy too, because it's true. Like, and it takes a lot. Like, I seen someone in the comments were saying that they're a surfer, and surfing isn't just get on your board and go, right? It's wake up, it's check the weather, it's load, whatever you guys do. I'm not sure what you guys do on the board, but
Get the
like,
surfboard
wash
ready.
your board or whatever that is, gel it up. I don't know, whatever it is, but do all that, right? Get the board onto the car, get in the car, drive down to the beach. Now you got to get in the water, and now the waiting game happens, right? Now you're just waiting on that wave, and sometimes that wave isn't going to come, and sometimes a storm's going to roll in unexpectedly, and you're not even going to be able to get in the water, or maybe you did get in the water, and now you got to get out and go home with no surfing. And it does have a lot to do with trading, like no trade days and waiting patiently for your opportunities, and doing the behind the scenes work, like checking the news, finding out what's going on that day, aka the weather, right? Setting up your charts, making sure everything is good. There's a lot that goes into it. So surfing is a good analogy, man. I like that one. I like it.
Love it.
Hey, Sergio TTE Bank Santos in the building.
Sergio.
Oh, Sergio. Man, I haven't seen Sergio in a long time.
Sergio to the moon.
I don't know. I haven't seen him in a while.
Facts, bro. It must have been a long weekend because I feel the same way.
Nah, y'all thought I was starting late again today.
Right?
Chat, we're back to regular scheduled timing.
Yeah.
So 6:45, we're going to start up again. Yeah, I was a bit busy over the last 2 or 3 weeks with the new year in the morning. That's why we were starting 7:15. So now we're back to our regular time. And keep in mind, 250K accounts. We're giving them away at the end of the week. All you have to do is be sub to the channel and give the stream a like here today. We're going to come back to this stream and see if you liked it. If not, we're going to the next guy. No freebies. No more freebies. Yeah, wow, look at Nas. Yeah, this is a cowboy candle. Up and down. Broke the highs, broke the lows, all over the place. GJ is stuck, and gold is trying to create a support here. Yeah, nasty 4-hour here.
Infusion.
Wow, Sergio, I don't get a hug. Come on, dog. I see how it is.
Yeah, so you guys got these books? These are the books I would recommend, man. Think and Grow Rich, Magic and Think It Big, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Slight Edge, 5 a.m. Club. If you're married, this is a good one. Outwitting the Devil, Compound Effect. These are 2 very important books right here. I would highly, highly recommend that you read these 2 books. And What to Say When You Talk to Yourself will absolutely blow your mind. Yeah.
Hey, it blew my mind.
You will realize you've been doing this thing wrong the whole time. This is my IG too, by the way, gang. A lot of fake pages out there, so this is the only one I have here. Yeah, they even made fake pages of John nowadays, man. Sheesh. Rafi, you can...
Right? I don't even do anything.
What?
Nothing.
What happened?
They're gonna come for
After
you.
that second boot camp, bro, there's gonna be 100 fake pages of Rafi.
Yo, facts.
None of these guys, I promise you guys, none of these dudes up here will ever message you first and ask you for Bitcoin or something like that, or ask you how your trades are going. None of that.
Hell no.
All right, we got an hour closure here. So we did get an hour close. We did close bullish. 4 hours looking. Oh, this is pound yen. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna touch GJ here. Let's go back to gold. Oh yeah, so we did get a bullish close here on gold. 30-minute close bull. 4 hour is a bit nasty, but I believe if we break those highs, you should see a run up here. So what we can do is 30-minute close bullish, creating support. Let's go ahead and check what stops look like. Yeah, depending on if we use this current candle stop, we have a nice entry here on the break of the highs. Okay, so that we probably got a 50 pip target there, and it looks pretty good. If we don't get exactly what we want, we could wait for this 15 to close, and if it ends up closing above, then we could take our shot here. Yeah, but the 30 looks pretty good for me. So I'm gonna have a buy stop off the 30-minute time frame, right on the break of those highs there, and then if we don't get excuse me, if we don't get activated, then I could always wait for 15-minute. Yeah, we should not re-break these highs now after the 4 hour broke the lows right that. If we break the highs, then there's a very high chance we're moving up here. What's the stop looking like? Like a 30 pips. Yeah, like a 35 pip stop here. Yeah. So yeah, gonna have buy stops here on gold. How do you join the giveaway? All you gotta do is be sub to the channel. That's it. Yeah. Spent the Bitcoin. BTC. How do I join the giveaway? Yeah, you just got to be sub to the channel. That's all. That is all. What lot size am I using? I don't think that really makes a difference for you. I think you should risk 1 or 2%. That's another reason why I decided to take away all of my account, because I don't want you guys going up like either more than you should or less than you should. I don't want that to affect your decision making. You have to risk 1 to 2%. You know, that's on you. Because if I tell you what lot size I'm using, it doesn't really help you that much. Right? It doesn't really help you that much. Yeah, we had a lot of people. I was using 30 lots on a 400K, and this dude was using 30 lots on a 100K. You know? Like, so whatever lots I'm using, it doesn't have anything to do with the lots that you should use.
10 pips and account blown.
Respectfully. I just don't want you guys over risking when you shouldn't. Stops are going to be current candle. So wherever this current candle low is, that is going to be my stops. Yeah, current candle low. I was trying to do the same.
Yeah, but that's true, because it's like, you know, you want to find out what your own risk tolerance is. You want to be comfortable with the trade that you're in. You know? Your risk tolerance might be different than mine, Nick's, John's, Rafi's, literally anyone. So, you know, just ask yourself, what is the absolute maximum I'm willing to lose on this trade? Like, hey, like if I were to get in right now and this thing goes straight to my stop loss, what would I want that to look like?
Yep. Yeah, how much are you willing to pay is the question to find out if your idea works.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the question. I'm willing to pay X amount of dollars to find out, or I'm willing to pay X amount of percentage of my account to see if this is going to work.
Yep.
Yeah, so my stops are going to sit below this candle right here. Right here. Entries on the break of the high, yep. Yeah, you can use a lock calculator. You could even use a regular calculator, right? If you have a 20K account, you do what's 1% of 20K. You get that, and then there you go. Now you have your risk, and now you can determine how many lots you should open in order to fit that risk. Yeah. Can we break the highs? Activated? I don't think I'm activated yet. Not yet. Yeah, this is a 1 hour onion play. So 4 hours, so daily is technically bullish. The 4 hour close bullish, creating a support, right? 1 hour is still bearish, but if we break that 1 hour high, there's a really, really high probability we'll continue moving up, especially after creating a support on the 30 minute, as well as a support on the 15 minute. So it's basically a 30-minute onion play here. Yeah, so the way the trade's going to work is probably going to go break even right around this zone up here. So I think that's going to be like 12 pips, right? Oh, 20 pips, yeah. So probably going to go break even, maybe even close partials somewhere around this like 2026, 736 area right here. Yeah, partials. And then going to look to target, obviously 38, but I'll probably take another set of partials at 30 here, if we get activated. So this isn't valid until we break that high there.
Everybody just got quiet.
Where'd y'all go? Where'd y'all go?
Quaking, bro. I'm
So
quaking.
quiet.
Quick.
Quick. Quick.
Right now the heart's going.
Yeah. Play that.
Yeah, let's see if we can get
Yeah,
activated.
Lucy.
I don't think we're activated, right? I didn't get activated. No, not yet. Yeah, wait for the candle to break the highs. Yep, the next candle. So this candle right here, the previous candle, those are my entry, the highs of that candle. Otherwise, we can just kind of, roll bullish, back to bearish, back to bullish. Boom. People are going to the bathroom. Oh, man. Yeah, if it gets towards like 10, 12 or so, let's see how the 5 closed. Yeah, 5 closed pretty nice too, kind of creating a support there too, so. Yeah, this trade's heavily based off 30-minute time frame. Yeah, if we don't get activated within the next like 2 or 3 minutes, then what we'll do is we'll delete and we'll wait for the 15 closure here. Where do you enter on the flip? No, I'm entering on the break of the high here. Waiting on that.
Lee Grant, you cannot move, bro. You're trading.
Freeze! Don't move a muscle. You're yelling at your wife, hold on, honey. Give me a
That's
second. Yeah, I'm gonna cool you guys down. I'm gonna delete this for right now. I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close here. If we can close on the 15 and close above, that will be much more of a confirmation for us. So time to delete. I just deleted it. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close now. So we'll have a much better confirmation if this candle can close above the range. The main reason for deleting now is I don't want to get tapped in, and then this 15-minute candle closes with no top wick, right? Close with no top wick, right? Kind of like you see here. And then the next one drives down or something, right? So that's the reason for the delete, because we don't want to get stuck in this situation, because then we're putting the odds against us. So let's wait for the 15, make sure we have a wick on that candle and not get activated at the last second there. And then we'll kind of revisit the idea. Or we may pop in the next 5 minutes. Who knows? Come on, wife.
Curious to see what happens here.
Yeah, so now we'll see what happens here.
We do got some wick
GTP.
rejections in the area as well.
Yeah. Yeah, we have this right here. So we want to see a 15 close, I guess. We got 2 minutes. Oh, wow. Nasdaq back up. Sheesh. Nikes.
Nas, bro. Nas is tough.
When do I use the flip? So a lot of times I'll use the flip. Like, let's say this candle wicks up like this or something. And then, like, let's say it didn't have a bottom wick, right? And then it comes down to make the bottom wick. That's when I'll use the flip as the entry. Cole, phone call while you're trying to place a trade. Stop calling me. Yeah, Nas going up and down like a seesaw here. Sheesh. Can we take buys? Yeah. Yeah. 12 seconds here. Get to the chopper. Looks like price gonna do exactly what I thought. How'd the 15 close there? Yeah, so 15 closed with very little to no top wick. Right at this level here. $30 still open though. 30 looks good. 30 does look good. We'll see how the 15 goes. If we get a bottom wick and all that good stuff and re-break the high, then yeah. Yeah, you may find some sort of rejection in this zone though, with no top wick. Yeah, did anybody hold the buy?
No.
I think if you did, you got like 15 pips, maybe 16.
Nice, DK.
I was on the phone.
There you go. Nice.
Nice. Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Wow. Closure above 25 would be nice too.
Dude called.
Joe Stu. Taking
Joe.
dubs.
Go, Joe.
Nice job, Joe.
Yo. Yeah, W, everyone got that. You guys beat 90% of traders today.
Yeah,
W.
there you go. My MT5 is freezing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, 30 should get up here. I think this is where we're going to take partials here, right? Oh, a little higher. Nice, nice, nice. BE. Rob trades W. Let's go.
Yeah, W.
Yeah, Nas is
Yeah, this
tricky
thing
with
looks like it
the-
wants to run too, bro.
Yeah, gold looks like it wants to really rip. Broke 1 hour highs too. 4 hour moving up. Has anyone ever tried F2 in MK? I don't think I've ever hit that button. What's it do?
He said auto trails your stops.
Oh wow, no way.
Nice. Yeah, that's actually cool.
Flexing. 4 hour pack. Yeah, that's like a really steep pack though. Yeah, that's a steep one. Position window can't be seen. I know. It was designed that way. So now you guys will be able to see my floating profit unless I actually have my MT5 open. Yeah. Oh, nice, Jonah. FX.
Honestly?
Good stuff.
Or rather, the closure is above 25. All that resistance and chop.
Maverick is my boss. Yeah, let's take a look at Nas here. So Nas coming back down. 15 closed bearish. 30 looks good, right? If you can get this 30 close below in 10 minutes, I think there's a possibility for a pretty good trade, right? You had this move down, move up, and then potentially a move down now. Yeah. I took sells.
Yeah, I
Sells
actually really
on-
like that.
What, Nas,
What
right?
you were just saying.
Yeah.
Yeah. That actually looks
Yeah.
super good.
They call
Accent
this
does.
like what, like 2 inside bars, some people call that. pattern.
I don't know. I just see that it grabbed pack on the 4-hour with the NYSE, and the last candle was bearish, and
Yeah.
now it
You-
might want to come down.
These are the packs I like the best, where it's not like a drastic break,
Right,
but
yeah,
like a
just
slight
tap
break. Yeah,
just to get those buyers activated.
yeah. Because if it's too drastic, that leaves a lot of room for price to go back that way.
Right.
Gold working here. There we go, gold. Very good, very good. Happy for you guys in this position. Well, oh, we did make a little bottom wick there. Okay, nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, I'll wait on Nas here, see if we can get a closure. Yeah, gold, I'd probably take partials right in the zone. Tap the partial, let's go, TK. Yeah, sometimes if we get like too close to the closure of the candle, there's been many times where I had a buy stop, right? Like let's say like you have a just like we had like buy stops sitting on the break of the highs, right? And there's been times where like we've gotten activated, boom, and then the candle closing no top wick. And then the next candle drive down. So that's what anytime I close my order a minute or 2 or 3 minutes before the closure, that's typically why, so I don't get caught in that, right? This time it didn't happen, it worked out well, but that was the reason for deleting, because that has happened to us and that is such a pain in the behind.
Nice, Jonah. Nice, Chala.
Hold up.
Hey, Jonah with the big W, let's go. We would have had 5-10 pips plus if we would have kept our buy stop. 15 would have closed at no top wick. Why not just hold buy stops and make the trade BE? Yeah, you can make the trade BE. You can close 50%. Like you can close nothing. Whatever you want to do. Like especially if that candle would have closed with no top wick, right? But we didn't know, right? We don't know that we're gonna go 5 pips and then close with no top wick, right? My thing is, there's times where I get entered in the last couple minutes, and then right here at my entry, there's no top wick, right? So you're not even in profit. So if you're in profit, yeah, you can look to, move stops to break or whatever you want to do, close 50, whatever. But what happens if you're not in profit? What happens if you're just break even and it closes there, no top wick? So that's what I was looking to avoid.
Paris sales 30 closes.
30-30. Yeah, Nas looking pretty good though. Took a sell at 2018. Oh. Down here. Yeah, we'll wait on Nas real quick, and then we'll see if we get an entry here.
Dude, let me tell you, bro. That sunlight out that window is so deceiving. I know it ain't warm out there.
It's that cold sun.
Yeah, bro.
You get some sun after this.
Yeah, it's saying, come on outside. You'll enjoy it. Yeah, okay.
Give me a sec. I'll be right back.
Mother Nature lying to me. I know. That's what I'm saying, bro. What up, Pete?
Gotta love Mother Nature. Connecting with God.
I'm good, Pete G. How are you? It's cold today, man. Were you outside?
Alariza, I will let you know as soon as possible. We on Zoom right now, though.
Yes, sir, Pete G. Yes, sir. Another patience day.
Beat the G.
Yeah, it's only Monday. We still got a couple minutes here, too.
Yeah, we got the whole week ahead.
Yes, sir, TK. Yeah, bro, there's always something different about, like, just, like, Sunday night, rolling into the new week and everything. I'm always fired up, too.
Oh, yeah.
Bring out the motion. Yes, sir.
Can't wait for Monday here. Yeah, it's 30 closes in 3 minutes. Yeah, Pete, I love Mondays as well. All right, bet, TK. Nah, yeah, Landon, I know what I know what you mean. That could have worked, you know.
Billy, they don't get it, bro.
Like, Billy, is that you?
That's how they'll look at you.
Got you in there, bro?
What's going
Yeah.
on in there?
Back Sandman. And raise the king. Yep.
Pull back for us here, Nas. Dang.
And gold.
Billy outside the matrix.
Nasty, Nas.
You know, damn, Nas, what you doing? Yeah, gold. So gold closer right there. GJ, no bueno. Nas, closing no bottom wick, chat. Sheesh. Well, most of you guys ate on gold there, so that's good. Yeah, nothing now. Nothing at this point. 10:30. Yeah, all we could do now on gold, I think, is just wait for an hour closure and maybe get an hour support here. 30-minute was a good move. Ended up playing out well. Yeah. Paul Wall. Yo, the grills. Yeah, Nas, I can't do anything here because no bottom wick and no top wick. Don't let the sun fool you. How's the weather looking over here today?
Yeah, let me know.
Don't let the sun fool you, bro. If you're
Not
looking
too
out the
bad.
window somewhere up north.
Not too bad. 60s.
It was brick this. Alright. I wanted to go chill by the pool, but we'll have to see.
Bro, it's probably fine. I'll come swim down there when the weather right
It's like
now.
an ice bath.
What is it? How much?
I think you said 60s, right, Nick?
Yeah, it'd be like 65, 67.
As long as the sun's out.
It's right
If-
now. That's what it is. No.
No, right now it's 57.
Yo, Sam, how cold is it out there?
Oh, it's good now. Maybe the sun
Oh,
is
is
warming
it?
up some. Yeah, it's 24. What was it earlier, guys? Like 8? It was like 8.
24 is brick.
It's good now. 24? Hell no, bro.
24.
The
Oh,
lowest it was
hell
today
no.
was 5.
Oh, it's funny.
It's gonna go up to 36. It's supposed to be 60 later this week though. Friday.
It goes to 36 and you'll see people in shorts and stuff. It's like,
Yeah, when it hits 50, I'll be out there in shorts, bro. Nah, cause it's
Shorts and a
actually
hoodie?
wild. Like I was getting used to the 10 to 15 degrees, bro. Like that was actually wild. I was outside for like 10 minutes with just like a hoodie on and that, and I was like, oh wow. 24.
Okay, there we go. All right, I fixed the zoom volume thing. Now it should be good.
Volume thingy.
Was it
The
quick?
volume thingy majiggy. Yeah, so BE probably gonna get tapped here for those who are holding. Last week it was negative 12. Damn. Why are you giving more importance to 2037 levels in gold? Looks like a minor resistance. That is the daily target. So that's the basically the daily wick fill up here. So that's why we have that. Plus it lines up with the 1 hour zone here. Yeah, you can have it like here or here, but this is your daily wick fill. So that's why that's pretty much the target there today. Hey, yo, if you guys could like the stream, that'd be awesome. Hey, you guys haven't, I don't think we've hit 1,000 likes this year, man. Damn. We were on a run.
You gotta tighten up, Chad.
Sheesh. We were hitting
We used to get
1,000
that
every
every
day
day.
before 9:30. Damn.
Hey, what happened?
Now an hour later, nowhere near that. What's up with y'all, B? Bing, bing, bing.
Y'all gotta be consistent
Yeah, for real.
in all areas of life.
Come on, I show up every day. You guys show up every day. Just give the stream a like. That's all. Yeah, if you didn't like today's stream, then when we pick the 50K accounts, we're gonna see who liked the stream or not.
It's true.
Likey. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go. How many years have I been trading? About 5. I always like the stream. Hey, Sergio, you a real one. He's a real one.
Yep.
We only got partials on that fishing strategy? Yeah, just partials. So, yeah.
Oh, you want more tips?
More tips and tricks. Yeah, we'll see if we break through the partials, but that was the reason why we were closing in partials there, right? It lined up just, if you look left and you just line this up, it just lines up perfectly with everything here. Um, 27? Oh, 27 right here? Yeah, basically that's why. So 27 was, you're right, it is a minor resistance. So that's why we wanted to take partials there. Yeah. Hey, thank you, Marcus. Thank you. Your stream setup looks cool. Oh, thanks. Anniversary coming up for the live streams. Yeah, on the 1st of February. February 1st was our first live stream.
Really? The first?
Yup. 1 year.
That was like 12.
A year ago, we weren't even doing this.
Lots can happen in a year.
Yeah, man. Who's been here the whole year? Outside of like Scott, John, obviously. Any random name been here the whole year? That just sits out and chills and watches the stream? It's gotta be.
I'm sure there is for sure.
Rapid Max. Yo, let's go. Scott's an OG. Hunter? Oh, damn, yeah.
Rich and Royal.
Rich and Royal. Yo.
And Royal, I remember that.
man. Sheesh. October? Oh, nice. April?
Will's got skills.
Remember
Eddie Allen.
Nikolovsky?
Nikolovsky.
Where's
yep.
he? Where's Nikolovsky been? Here since
Nikolovsky.
June? Oh, nice.
Someone said the other day whenever you said something about baby names. That's what someone said in the chat. If it's a boy,
Nikolovsky.
Nikolovsky.
Yeah, man. About to have this baby. We don't know if we're having a boy or a girl.
Sir, let's go.
Been here since November, October, since December, since August. Nice. Since
Big folk
2010.
red.
Big Folk Red, yeah. Big Folk Red been here for a minute.
Big full grid.
Sheesh. YOLO been here since April. Let's go.
Sure.
It's crazy.
There
Oh,
he is.
Nikolovsky's watching. Yo.
I love you, bro.
Nikolovsky.
Nikolovsky for 3.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's in the chat.
Bang. Yo, my dude. My man. That's how you know he's always watching. If we randomly called his name and he was here. All right.
Yeah.
I see you. Sheesh. Sheesh. Damn.
Dennis Hood.
April gang. Well, Dennis Hood's been here. Yeah.
April game.
Wickolowski. Yeah, we haven't done the W in a while. Rapid wax. Yo, weren't we just talking about that, John? Or Joe? I forget who we were talking to. But
Rapid wax.
we were talking about the W, like the first name. Everyone's first
Oh,
name is
yeah.
a W.
Yeah,
Sheesh.
they still be doing that.
Whereas WEEEK.
Raz.
That was too funny.
Walk.
What? Like what? Whoa.
Oh yeah, I remember
Handle.
that one.
Reen.
Watt Studio.
Oh damn. Reen.
Green.
Wham.
Wham.
Waffy. Juan.
Wham.
If you put a W on John's name, it's just Juan.
Facts.
Wani.
Wolowski.
Yo,
Wani boy.
Nikolowski, man. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Yeah, good to see you, bro.
Word. Moose the jab, yeah. Yeah. So gold's in a standstill here. Nas is just kind of pulling back now. You got an hour closure coming up here in a little bit. I'll probably stick around for the hour close, maybe. Yeah, I'll stick around for the hour closure, and if nothing, then we'll dip out and come back tomorrow. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, we're gonna do the two $50,000 challenge account giveaways on Friday this week. Yeah, on Friday we'll do it. Yeah. All the mods, if you guys could just hit me up on Discord. I'm sure some of you have already, but just hit me up on Discord so I can get you guys your accounts. Yeah, I'll get them over to you today.
New accounts. Like Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Like Christmas. Saint Nick.
Oh man. Yeah, I mean, I think that was the only legitimate move here today. Was just, and it wasn't even the greatest, but it was still a pretty good move here. But as you guys can see, it's you know, it's a choppy price action day here. This whole range is like not the greatest. But yeah,
Yeah, I didn't really like that range.
This was probably the only opportunity right there. GJ had no opportunities for my system, just a whole bunch of mess. And then Nas, we tried getting some closures here, but nothing.
That wick fill would have been nice on Nas.
What time was Nas taken on Friday? That was
I think 9 or 9:30.
10. GJ was 9:30. GJ's crap. GJ crap.
True that.
Or else you don't like GJ? Me either, bro.
GJ's just a
Yep.
homie that sticks around. Just don't want to go home.
Just the vibe. Factual.
It's like your little brother.
Like he's cool and you don't wanna... Whoa, little brother.
Hey yo.
That's so funny.
It's like your little brother, you know? Just wants to hang out with you all the time.
Yeah.
DK, I wasn't the only one that caught that. That's funny. Whoa. Nah. Well, I forgot what I was gonna say. That was so funny.
That's actually the one thing I love about John is always learning, always trying to be around, always trying to, you know,
Word.
get some wisdoms in his young age so he doesn't have to spend years and years figuring things out. You know, he's a very good learner, very good mentee.
Thanks, bro. I need that wisdom, you know,
Yes, sir.
can guide myself.
Yeah. Man, I don't know what I'd do without John. I'd be looking for someone to hang out with, you know?
Thanks, bro.
You
Facts,
too,
bro.
Joe. You too, Joe.
I wouldn't have anyone chill with.
Even though Joe didn't come over last night.
That for
It's messed up, bro.
God, Joe, bro.
Dang, Joe.
That's harsh, bro. Not pulling up when everyone else is pulling up.
Took 10 pips on me too today? Damn, son. All right,
Yeah.
LeGrand. I'll holla at you, my man. See you tomorrow. Have a great workout, bro.
Yeah, take it easy.
Have a good
Peace,
day,
bro.
LeGrand.
Peace, dog.
You know.
Joe. Later, brother.
Joseph.
I was waiting that. Yeah. TK even missed Joe.
Yeah, bro. TK didn't get to meet Joe.
For a day.
Joe's gone, bro. Joe took his 10 pips and dipped on us. Let's find Joe. Joe is
Yeah, Joe's gone.
Joe's
I'm
somewhere in
telling you
here.
right
Yo.
Joe's somewhere in this group. Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh dang. Later. Joe, what the fuck? He's on his PlayStation. He getting to it. Yeah.
Yeah,
So we'll see what happens here. I'm gonna stick around for like another 12 minutes. We'll see if we get a position. If not, we'll head off. Joe for mod. Joe got to put in some work. Joe got to put in some work for the mod. You know, imagine we just gave it to Joe. Come on.
That's not fair.
Damn, Nas.
So what are
Sheesh.
you boys doing this stressless evening or day and night for Rafi?
I'm going to bed, bro.
Yeah,
Gotta be up
facts.
early.
This dude's ready to fall asleep right now. Look at
Bro,
him.
what time is it there? Like
Bro, I'm
midnight,
like yawning and stuff. I'm like,
right? You're on that London time, bro.
yeah, it's 11:48, almost midnight.
That's
Yeah, damn.
crazy, bro.
Crazy. I'm about to just get
Yeah.
my day started and you're ending it. Crazy.
Yeah.
I know,
is
it's crazy.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
But I just gotta go to the gym. I gotta look at some new like fun plans and that too. All this and that going on.
That's nice.
That'll probably be it though. We'll be chilling.
Yeah, this is what we
Sounds like a chill day.
Make
This
some
will-
food.
This is what we anticipated here on Nas, man. To come back down, give us a daily bottom. If we close bear today, then tomorrow will be a much better day for Nas because we should drive down.
That's all good, Louis G. Not for long, bro. Not for long.
Where does he live? He lives in Bali. Bali. Yeah, it looks like gold is moving down again here, so.
We need to break those highs, if anything.
It's 6 p.m. there? Damn, Jonah, where are you at? 6 p.m.? That's dedication? Yeah, it is dedicated. Rafi's dedicated.
That's my middle name.
Oh, Uganda. Oh, nice. Can we take sells on Nas 1 hour? Yeah. Yep. There's some potential here for sure. Would much rather see a pullback, but
Yeah, Nosh, what time is it for you?
Nosh.
He's in Western Europe.
Western
well,
Europe.
what's good, Gray? What up, Gray? Gray, where you live?
Great.
Nighttime for Gray?
Oh yeah, that's what time it is, you know.
Oi.
Wait.
In Pakistan, it's 9 p.m. Oh dang.
Pakistan.
9:21. Wait, how are you like a half an hour difference between everyone else? Boy, got the secret time zone.
Wakanda time.
Yeah. Wakanda time. Yeah, the secret time zone. 5 p.m. in Germany? Wait.
Pakistan.
Germany.
Let's go. All right, I think we're gonna call it here, chat. Yeah, I think we'll call it a day. We'll come back tomorrow. Congrats to everyone who got that buy there at whatever it was, 10:30, 10. Good stuff. Good move. Looks like it tapped into our vantage point. That was pretty much it. Congratulations to all the mods who have won these 25, or not won, but who got 25K accounts. I'll get you the credentials to those accounts today, and that way you can have them for tomorrow. And then everyone else, yeah, great job, good discipline here today. If you took the trade, great. If you didn't take the trade, no worries. You know what I mean? It's not like you missed anything too much. There'll be more trades coming in tomorrow and the rest of the week and the rest of the year and the rest of the decade. So nothing to cry over, but let's come back tomorrow and let's see what we got tomorrow. So, John, Sam, Rafi, appreciate you guys as always.
Yes,
The
sir.
crew,
Sir,
the
thanks
crew
for
is
having me, bro.
back.
Thanks for hiring those guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Love to see you guys.
Yes, sir. We'll see you guys
Yeah,
tomorrow.
love you guys. Deuces.
Love you, boys. Have a great
Um,
rest of your day.
Yep.
Peace, peace.
guys
Yeah,
take
have
it
a
easy.
nice day, chat.
Later,
See you guys.
boys. Later.
Chat, take it easy. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gone.
Peace.
One more. Oh, yeah, say bye one more time, Pete.
Peace, peace.
All right, chat. Love y'all. Y'all be great today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hope you have a blessed one. Later, gang. Mods, love y'all. Be great.